tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Here to ensure that the thing runs smooth and we don't have no college and we don't want no death in this. DJ Bombo Clap, man.
Yeah, Brooklyn badness. Hey.
Dummy on the beat, so it's a banger.
Look, just touchdown in the yard. Celebration dance, touchdown with the squad. This is not a local touchdown, we abroad. Let's rap about it though, touchdown like the pod. Bank like TD, touchdown with the card. Pick six to kick it, touchdown with the broads. She on all fours, touchdown like a quad. So I had to run it back, touchdown 100 yards. Keep me in the end zone, not the friend zone. That'll get you gemstones on your skin tone. Fruity pebbles for the 10, not a Tim Dome. Ass make the bed rock like the Flintstones. Tricks for kids and this money been grown. And that get under niggas' skin like an ingrown. Up on these niggas, you would think I sent drones. Where they try to cross, you would think I went chrome. Tryna get me on cam, pink fur, pink phone. Tryna dip with my jewels like I'm Jim Jones. We don't really book rooms, niggas rent homes. Put away that Sprint phone or get sent home. It's a secret society, all we ask is trust. Only niggas doing it to the max is us. Paper coming through like they was faxing us. So we gotta keep chopped like it's an axe with us. West Indies like it's say in a kicks. That's how we stepping through that A76. Cake very thick like a plate's never miss. Pussy tastes like rum punch, take every sip. Yo, I used to serve a J that was cool as LL. I was selling butter soft like a Pell Pell. I remember bag spot trips for 12-12s. Now I'm doing bad mind shit in 12-12. First night drinking light, just chilling, drinking life. Then it's back to the villa where the teens link 'em nice. Tell them follow Porsche truck, hit the blinker lights. Next day, hit a next party, pink and white. Then we go tropical, heard it be poppin' too. Rain can't shut it down, Bob's unstoppable. My dog Anthony just sent the address. And Big Larry bringing Brooklyn badness. We only got room for another bad bitch. Girl, it's Easter Sunday, hopping like the rabbits. Shout out this leg, got the Rick on display. Know I had to come silky when I came to risque, ayy.
With your host Tone, Big B, Selena, and Severe. And when the smoke clears, being real is the top tier. So much much topics to discuss to these peers. Before I start the conversation, I need some concentration. A headline for the podcast for confirmation. Talk about innovation, I need some ventilation. Perhaps some good weed, good vibes, and inspiration. Usually be in the booth or shooting in my photo shoot. Not to toot my horn too much, but I can't mute. I'm speaking to the youth, I'm seeking for the truth. And what's good at it to know if you don't have the proof? It's JC with a blunt in his mouth, thinking there's a lot of things we could be talking about. I don't do it for clout, I just do it for the love of the art, playing my part. Just watch how he sparks when he smoke and talk. Let's smoke and talk. 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 Let's smoke and talk. Let's smoke and talk. Smoke and talk. Let's smoke and talk. Smoke and talk. Let's smoke and talk.
And now for my next number, I'd like to return to the classics.
Smoke and talk, let's smoke and talk. 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 Let's smoke and talk. Let's smoke and talk. Smoke and talk. Let's smoke and talk. Smoke and talk. Let's smoke and talk. Cheers, so welcome you to a new premiere with your host Tone, Big B, Selena, and Severe. And when the smoke clears, being real is the top tier. So much topics to discuss to these peers.
Before I even get anything started, how am I sounding tonight? Y'all need to let me know something. EJ ain't here, aka the Lone Wolf, and this is Smoking Talk Podcast LLC, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, what I turned up on? Oh, that's here. Chill out. Oh, shout out to my sister, gifting that one membership. Appreciate you, mama. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest. If y'all got that membership from my sister, y'all better tell her thank you. That's the rule. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest, man. We are back. It is Friday. Like I said, we got some good clips, man. Y'all gonna need to stand by for this, because these go crazy today, man. Y'all like, share, subscribe. We are out here, y'all. Where's my motivation check? I need a motivation check. It is Friday, y'all. Y'all turn up with me. Let go.
No, you shit! Fuck it up! Yo, let's go! Go, Habibi! Go, Mufasa! Go, Habibi!
Yeah! Let go, y'all. We are out here. We are in the building today, ladies and gentlemen. And look who came in the building. You know it's Friday, and it keeps on getting better, y'all. I see you, Brody. Thank you for being here. You already know 3 a.m. is in the goddamn building. And look who snuck in through the back door. I'm glad you here, Brody, because I got your clips on deck. Dr. X is in the building.
It's good.
Y'all light up, y'all drink up, y'all smoke up. Y'all already know the vibes. It is Friday, man. This is our time. This is our block. Y'all come on up in here. Let me get this together for y'all. Y'all like, share, subscribe, man. In case y'all ain't see the thumbnail, this one go crazy. So get your thinking caps on all show, man. Because you know we gonna need a whole bunch of logic for these clips today. You already know the vibes. X, how I'm sounding. Let me know something. You already know. Kel say it's not Thursday, it's Friday, goddammit. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest, god damn. God damn. Woo, Lord have mercy. Girl. You already know I'm about to come out this shape for you, man. And it keeps on getting better. She done stepped her sexy ass up in here. Yes, sir. Messy Michonne is in the building, y'all.
Bang! It's good.
Do y'all see that sexy mama right there? Y'all see it? Y'all better treat it like with some respect before I take it all safety. I swear for God. You already know the vibes, my mind. You already know. Hit the line. You already know to hit the line. Ain't enough to be said. What's understood ain't gotta be said. You already know. Hit the line. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Yes, sir. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, y'all. Shout out to Mega Baby for getting the membership, y'all. We are up in here. It is Friday. Y'all already know. Oh, yeah. Y'all come on up in here. And it keeps on getting better. Look who came in the building. LT done snuck in through the back door.
Bang! It's good!
LT, what up, though? How I'm sounding, how I'm looking. Y'all need to let me know how am I sounding tonight. I need crisp sounds. Scout said I'm good. Y'all let me know something. Y'all hold on for a quick second. While I get this clip up, I gotta fix my camera.
And now for my next number, I'd like to return to the classics.
Smoke and talk, let's smoke and talk. 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 Let's smoke and talk. Yeah. Smoke and talk. Yeah. Let's smoke and talk. Smoke and talk. Let's smoke and talk. Cheers, so welcome you to a new premiere with your host Tone, Big B, Selena, and Severe. And when the smoke clears, being real is the top tier. So much topics to discuss to these peers. Before I start the conversation, I need some concentration. A headline for the podcast for confirmation. Talk about innovation. I need some ventilation. Perhaps some good weed, good vibes, and inspiration. Usually be in the booth or shooting in my photo shoot. Not to toot my horn too much, but I can't mute. I'm speaking to the youth. I'm seeking for the truth. And what's good at it to know if you don't have the proof? It's JC with a blunt in his mouth. Thinking there's a lot of things we could be talking.
Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest, man. Okay, Cal say I'm fire. Alright, y'all. And look who came in the building. Hey, my mom. My sister's in the building. Y'all see her. Go Cree-Cree's up in here. St. Louis is here, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Like I say, I got the most interesting episodes for y'all, man. I need y'all thinking caps on, and I need y'all logic. This is about logic tonight. In case y'all ain't see the thumbnail, man. A woman has been divorced from her husband for 3 years and trying to come back for alimony and get her lifestyle paid for. Ain't that about it? I mean, really, who does that? Y'all need to check this out. Let me get this up for y'all. Thank y'all for being here. Memberships is now open. Super Chat is now open. Become a member of Smoke and Talk today for $1, man. Come rock out with the squad. Can you dig it? I know you can dig it, because I can dig it. I know y'all can dig it. Y'all check this out, man. Smoke Squad, let's rock out. Y'all light up, y'all drink up, y'all smoke up, man. Oh, what up, DeAndre? What up, bro? I see you. Thank you for being here, fam. Creeping through the back door. Let me know how I'm sounding, man. How I'm looking tonight. Smoke Squad, what it is. Let me know. Y'all check this out, man.
For the request for the modification was the fact that I did get let go from my job because of the school schedule.
So at this time, are you currently employed?
No, I am a full-time student. I do take 6 classes. So while the kids are in school, I am a full-time student.
It pains me to say, but if the shoes were reversed, I'd be saying the same thing. Is like, how is it fair that he supports you while you decide, or the children more, while you decide to go get a college degree for the future, when you got to duty support now, not at his expense, that you want to go get the degree. And I'd be telling him the same thing if he was here asking child support for you. You got 50-50 split. Why should she pay for you to go to school? I mean, I'm trying to figure out why that would be fair this way.
Okay. I just, while we were married, I was a homemaker, so
what
I
that
didn't
mean?
leave the house. Mr. Acevedo actually locked me out of the house.
And why did that happen? Just because he wanted to do it?
Because he was upset.
And why was he upset? And isn't it true that that incident arose out of the fact that you had voluntarily left the house, abandoned your husband and your children for a period of time?
This case left me completely speechless. I thought I had seen almost everything, but evidently I was wrong. So they were an ordinary married couple with 3 children, and one morning she left the house and came back a few days later, but her husband didn't let her in. Later he found out that she was with somebody else, and this was the reason they got divorced. Fast forward, 3 years have passed, and now she remarried. But interestingly, she decided to stop working and go to school. So, since she no longer has income and knows that her ex-husband is well off financially, she took him to court for money. She believes that since she used to be a stay-at-home wife 3 years ago when they were married, he should provide the same lifestyle to give her time to study. And what makes this story...
Hey, yo! Come on, y'all! Did y'all hear that? Did y'all hear that bullshit? Yo, you leave the marriage to go do whatever you want to do. Now you want to go to school, and I should fund that because you think, no, man. Oh, hell no. Hey, yo, this is crazy work, yo. Where's my nephew? God damn it, nephew, you better talk to this chick.
Bullshit? Bullshit? Bullshit. Bullshit.
Come on, man. If y'all ain't heard nothing no more asinine than that, yo. Oh yeah, Cree, you heard right. Yeah. But I'm gonna need y'all thinking caps on. This is about logic. Now, what type of sense does that make? Y'all let me know in the chat. Y'all like, share, subscribe, man. It is Friday. Let's turn up, man. Y'all gotta hear this, bruh.
Interesting is that she is a married woman who believes she is entitled to her ex-husband's money. But thankfully, the judge was able to understand that her request made no sense and denied it. Her ex-husband has nothing to do with what she does with her life, so he shouldn't be the one sponsoring her studies.
The reason for the request for the modification was the fact that I did get let go from my job because of the school schedule, for the kids. So being that I do live so far away from the kids to school, they had to let me go because I was doing drop off and pick up and just waiting there in the line. So I did have to be fired from my job.
What the fuck?
So that was the reason why I had asked for some assistance.
Okay.
Now, what does you have to getting fired from your job have to do with him, yo? In any capacity, yo? Seriously?
What?
Are you serious? Girl, you better go ahead, yo. Hey, yo, I'm about to get mad, yo. I'm gonna keep it cool, though, because I already know. Y'all need to listen to this bullshit.
So the visits had never changed. So you were still doing 1 week on and 1 week off.
So we were getting the kids, me and my husband were getting the kids an extra day. And so they would add up, but I couldn't tell you how many days they added up. And then it went back to being the same.
Why were you getting the kids an extra day?
There was just like stuff that was going on. I believe there was like sickness. I don't remember which individual it was, but it was like a few days here and there.
So were these extra days?
Modification was not for the visitations. It was more because of the financial, because I did lose my job.
So at this time, are you currently employed?
No, I am a full-time student. I do take 6 classes. So while the kids are in school, I am a full-time student.
All right.
Are you still married?
You're a full-time student, so what are you doing for means for money? That's the thing. Come on, man. Oh, he's supposed to fund that. Oh, he's supposed to fund that. Ain't that about a bit? Come on, man. This is crazy work, man. Get out of here. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest, man. This is crazy work right now. Lee Turner say, once again, the entitlement. Couch say, just say, get a job, bitch. Come on, man. Come on, man. Do y'all hear this bullshit right now? Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Share this out on my Ninja Watches, man. Share this out, man. Let go.
Married?
Yes.
Does your husband work?
Yes, he does.
What does he do?
He is an iron worker.
And that's another thing. Let me go ahead and pause it right there. She remarried. Ain't that a bitch? Come on, man. And look who came up in the building, man. And it keeps on getting better. I see you, Brody. He done came in through the back door. I see you. Prince Bird's in the building.
Bang! It's good!
But what up, though? Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest. Can y'all believe that, man? This chick got a nerve to ask her ex for money, and she's remarried now, man. Come on, man. This is crazy work, yo. Yo, this chick wishing more than a little bit, ain't she?
I'm wishing on a star.
Oh, hell no. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button.
And you don't do like part-time jobs like Uber, DoorDash, something?
No, ma'am.
Nothing.
But why not?
Right.
Let's get this straight. She is a married woman who decided to stop working and isn't willing to get a part-time job, but still believes that her ex is the one who should give her money.
Ain't that a bitch?
I will be honest. If this wasn't recorded in that setting, I would believe this is a skit because it makes no sense. What made her think and believe that this was normal? Expecting someone who divorced you 3 years ago to still be financially responsible for you is insane. I wonder how this conversation between her and her current husband was.
Right.
How did they concluded that her ex-husband should be responsible for this when they are both adult who should take care of their own business?
And what type of man are you allowing your woman to go ask her ex for goddamn money, yo? You're a fucking clown. Get the fuck out of here, yo. This is crazy. Oh, yo. Y'all stand back. Y'all stand back. God damn it. Hold on. Where my shit at? There you go. Yo, y'all stand back. Yo, what type of asinine shit is this? Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button.
How close are you to graduating?
I still have 3 years.
And you can't do part-time schooling?
Part-time schooling, no. Because every time I try to look for a job, everybody's like, well, you have to either be here early in the morning or you have to be here like really late. And my husband's commute, it would leave the children unattended.
Yo, what does that mean, yo? Y'all gonna have to figure out some type of schedule, especially between you and the father. Come on, yo. Seriously. And look who came in the building. Who's this? We got James Sampson in the place, ladies and gentlemen. James, what up? Welcome to Smoking Talk Podcast LLC. Let us know where you rocking from. Well, watching us from, you know. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest, man. It is Friday. What type of shit is this, yo? This shit is crazy right now. Oh, y'all let me know in the chat.
And have you talked to Mr. Acevedo about maybe taking them extra in that case?
We have not.
Right. And then your schooling doesn't offer online classes?
They offer only certain online classes, but they're not with the degree plan that I have.
Once again, this is her problem.
Yeah.
And she and her current husband should find a solution
That's
for
a
it.
fact.
Why does the man who divorced her 3 years ago have to do with this?
That's a fact.
Her ex-husband has nothing to do with the fact that she decided to go back to school, or with the degree plan she chose.
That's a fact,
If
man.
her school schedule is making it harder for her to get a job to support herself, she either changes the course or find other solution, because place this weight on her ex-husband.
Shout out to San Antonio. Shout out to GA. Shout out to Samson. What up, Samson? I gotta get my Samson back drop. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button.
Husband isn't an option. She is acting as if everything is going against her, leaving her with no options but to request financial support from her ex. But this is not how things work.
This is crazy.
I worked full-time and went to school full-time as a single mother, and the father did nothing. It's definitely doable. They just want and want. You are not his responsibility anymore.
That's a fact.
What don't you understand? Usually, once the ex is legally remarried, nothing changes except child support, at least in some states. If it's 50-50 custody, neither should give each other any money. Why do women think after a divorce they still should be given money? Why? I don't understand. 50-50 custody and she's looking for child support.
Right.
Why will she want his money?
Come on, man. And you got a whole husband laying right beside you. You trifling ass heifer.
And you say because you had to take the children to school or pick them up, that caused you to be fired.
Correct.
Okay. And did they monitor you when you were online doing this work?
Correct.
Okay. Now, since they fired you and you decided to go back to school, and you have already testified that there's no reasonable, in your opinion, no reasonable part-time job you could have to supplement your income.
Bullshit.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you also claim that Mr. Acevedo, you want sort of protection against him because of an incident that happened some years before that we got the divorce. And isn't it true that that incident arose out of the fact that you had voluntarily left the house, abandoned your husband and your children for a period of time, and then suddenly tried to come back and get into the house, which caused the problem? Isn't that?
That is incorrect.
Stop the
What
cap.
is correct?
So I was not locked out of the house. I was actually forced out of the house. There was
Stop
a
the
police
cap.
officer that came and did make a report that day.
Excuse me, I don't mean to interrupt you, but I'm not talking about what happened when the police officer came. I'm talking about what caused the incident to occur to begin with.
Right.
Had you
now answer that question? Stop dancing around the bullshit question. This is crazy, yo.
So that incident that did occur, that had nothing to do with. We were already separated for 2 years. It might have been. And the incident happened because I was a minute late dropping off our daughter. It was her birthday. I had taken her up, and
Now, hold up. I call bullshit. You mean to tell me this man locked you out the house because you was 1 minute late, yo? Dropping off your daughter.
Bullshit? Bullshit? Bullshit. Bullshit.
I ain't trying to hear none of that, bro. That sound fishy like a whore, yo. Come on, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think, but that's crazy, though. Nah, you was doing something. You was doing something you ain't had no business doing.
Let him cook.
And I want to know what it is. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest, man. This is crazy work right now.
I took her somewhere to go and eat, and I was a minute late, and he got upset about that.
Okay, when you left the house, how did you leave? You're trying to tell me that Mr. Acevedo forced you to leave the house?
Correct.
No, he
And
didn't.
why did he do that?
Right.
That was not the same incident that we're speaking of. So when I did,
No, I'm not speaking of.
Right. See, you see, she try. Hey, yo. No, yo. We speaking of that reason. Why did he kick you out the motherfucking house? Stop trying to switch the subject. Oh, yo. Oh, yeah. Ah, y'all stand back, man. Oh, getting mad today. It got me morphing more than a little bit. Come on, man. This is crazy work, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. This heifer is lying.
The same incident. I'm saying when you left the house, whether it was 2 years before, 2 years after, why did you leave?
I didn't leave the house. Mr. Acevedo actually locked me out of the house.
And why
did not allow me to get anything, did not allow anything like that.
Okay. And why did that happen? Just because he wanted to do it?
Because he was upset.
And why was he upset?
Right.
I couldn't tell you why he was upset.
Bullshit!
Oh my God. Stop lying. Bullshit. 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 Bullshit.
You know it, and I know it, yo. You know it, and I know it, yo. Come on, man. We're not doing these games, yo. Y'all know it, man. Come on, man. Smack this. Come on, man.
She did her best to avoid the question he asked about the reason her ex didn't allow her to enter the house.
Right.
She decided to talk about the birthday, and then she spoke about the day she was 1 minute late. Those weren't the answers to the question he asked.
Hey, Coop. You like my snap? You like my new snap? You like the way I go off? Let me know in the chat.
And she knew it. At this point, she was trying to be smart about it. She understood his question from the start, but it was all about avoiding giving the correct answer.
Right.
The best part was when she admitted that she wasn't allowed to enter the house because he was upset.
Uh-huh.
However, she claims that she doesn't know why he wanted her nowhere near him. Did she really expect the judge to believe that she had no idea why her ex-husband was upset? Unless something really serious happened, no man would block his wife from entering the house.
Right.
So
that 1 minute late for dropping off your kid is bullshit. You know it, and I know it. We ain't doing none of that today, y'all. Let go.
By saying in court that she doesn't know why he was upset, it says a lot about her. This level of dishonesty won't help her case.
Were you having an adulterous relationship?
I was not.
She's lying.
No, I was not.
I see. And so now, Mr. Acevedo and you have been involved with a 50-50 sharing of child custody. And Mr. Acevedo makes sufficient money to support these children much better than you. And he is now got a budget that really doesn't leave him any spare money. And now you think it's fair that you should be able to come in here because you lost your job, whether it was because of the kids going to school, which we have to take your word for, or not. And now you think it's fair that he should somehow give you money to help you support these kids.
Right.
This is where her request makes no sense. They are sharing 50-50 custody, but for some reason, she thinks it's fair to get some money from him. What? Somehow she believes that since they share 3 children, she is also part of his responsibility.
What the fuck?
But soon,
and ain't that in most custody cases, yo? It's like you can never pay your child support or whatever and keep it pushing though. They always want more, and not only that, yo, come on, man. Come on, man. And not only that, yo, they always want more to try to make themselves to get their lifestyle funded.
Let him cook.
Now, here's the thing about that, yo. She's been gone for 3 years, yo. The audacity for you to think you can come back and try to get some money out of me and we been... No, yo. This is crazy work right now, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the chat, man. This is crazy work, man. I don't care what nobody say. Let's cook, man.
you will realize that having a child with someone doesn't give you the right to their money.
Right.
Especially when she already remarried. As an adult, she needs to find solutions for her own issues, instead of trying to pass them on to a person who has nothing to do with it. The fact that he is better off financially has nothing to do with what she has going on in her household with her new husband. They will have to solve their financial problems on their own. I don't even know how this request was strong enough to have a case around it when they are sharing 50-50 custody.
That's a fact. You got a whole dude laying next to you. Come on, man. This is crazy work, yo.
As a parent with this custody agreement, she should place herself in a position to support herself and their children when they are with her, instead of asking their father to give her.
Stop the show. I see him. I see him. I see him. Yeah, man. You already know the vibes. We are out here, man. We bringing them out today, y'all.
Woo! Bring them out. Bring them out. Bring them out. Bring them out.
We got the Steeler fan in the building. G-Hon is in the building, y'all. G, what up, though? Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest. We got some bullshit going on here. I don't know about y'all, yo, but this is some bullshit. Let go.
Money for it when he also has his responsibilities. But why isn't her current husband funding her studies?
Right.
What is he doing there? Since both agreed that she should stop working, he should come up with a solution for her lack of income. She provided free childcare to him for years, and that prevented her from gaining job experience or having any kind of career. Honestly, she should be allowed to do a 1 or 2 year program. This is 3 years after their divorce when she is asking for this. And she is remarried as well. No way. Go on, girl, leave that man alone.
Come on, man.
Every parent figures out how to juggle kids, jobs, and education without getting fired. She makes nothing but excuses. She divorced him and still wants him to support her. Welcome to adulthood. You make your own decisions and you take on the responsibility.
Goddamn
Lesson
right.
learned. Don't cheat. If you like our video and would like to support us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It will help a lot.
Sustain.
Okay, repeat the question. I'm sorry.
The question was, the judge heard the testimony of all the parties, and the judge heard the testimony of the amicus attorney. And the amicus attorney, when we made closing arguments, stated that she believed that what the best interest of the children was a 50-50 custody and no child support. The judge took that recommendation along with the rest of the evidence, and she granted a final decree of divorce based on that custody issue. Is that correct?
I do recall that, yes, the amicus did say that.
So what the hell? Why are we here? Yo, why the hell are we here, yo? If we already got a court order put in place, yo. Come on, man, you greedy ass heifer.
If that is the case, why are you taking him to court?
Exactly.
If they were told the best solution would be 50-50 custody and no child support, why are they in court talking about his money? I think she is doing this because she knows he is doing better.
Right.
But this is not how things work. Her chances to enjoy the lifestyle he provided were gone 3 years ago.
That's a fact.
And this is something she is struggling to come to terms with.
What?
Just because he has the money, it doesn't mean that he has to give it. She really thought if she stopped working, he would be obliged to support her financially.
Right.
But I don't know where she...
Yo, but for 3 years ago... Hey, yo. That is asinine, yo. Asinine, I'll say. Yo. Look who came up in the building, man. We bringing them out today.
Woo! Bring them out. Bring them out. Bring them out. Bring them out.
My big brother's in the building. Drew Titan's in the goddamn building.
Bang! It's good!
Drew, what up, though? You get my shot glass from Orlando, Florida? Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest, man. Thanks for being here, big bro. Stopping through. You already know the vibes. Make sure y'all hit that like button, man. This is asinine, yo. Come on. You've been away for 3 years and you remarried. Why should this man give you money again? Yo, you just sound tinker stupid. Nah, man. Nah, man. This chick is crazy as hell. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, yo. Support your interest. We are out here. Let's turn up.
She got this information from. Someone lied to her.
I'll pass the witness, Your Honor.
Okay, let me go next to you, Ms. Chelsers. Technically, you're your own lawyer, so you kind of get the stand and get to tell me whatever else you need to tell me that hasn't been asked strictly related to the issues before the court. So anything else you want to say, ma'am?
I did write a little statement, if you would allow me to read it.
Well, that's your testimony. Is there any objection, Mr. Mangine? I assume not.
No, I'm not going to object. We don't
Give-
have a jury present, so it's...
Yeah, I'm going to give some latitude since she's not a lawyer and she's trying to get her testimony in. So yeah, you can read your statement.
I put, Your Honor, I am writing this letter to request support for my children. I'm a full-time student with a full-time work. Unfortunately, due to location of the children's school and difficulty of balancing work and school schedule, I was let go of my job to prioritize my children's education and well-being. As a full-time student, my time is divided between attending classes, studying, and taking care of my children. While I'm grateful for the opportunity to further my education, it also comes with
a few
a set
moments
of
later.
challenges. One of them being financial strain. I rely on scholarships, loans, and to cover most of my children's expenses. However, the source of income is not always sufficient to meet their needs. I have always been a responsible parent and have provided for my children for the best of my abilities. However, with the loss of my job, I am struggling to make ends meet and provide for my children's basic needs. I believe it is in the best interest of the children to receive child support from the other parent. Sincerely, Desiree Chesser.
So did she just take herself out of the equation when it comes to supporting her children financially? Why would you do something you know will impact your ability to provide for yourself and your kids?
Right, that is crazy, yo. That is ass. Hey, yo. Why would you deny your means of work? First of all, y'all didn't really think this through. You and your newfound husband didn't think this shit through for real, man. Y'all, oh yeah, if I could see, I'd throw a rock at y'all, yeah.
She is clearly telling them that she isn't willing to contribute for the next 3 years.
Right.
And this is the sad part of this case. As a parent, it was down to her to make the right decision. There is nothing wrong with wanting to further your education, but it can't be on the back of another person who divorced you 3 years ago.
Come on, man.
This is what she didn't understand. She wrote a nice letter, and it was really touching.
No,
but
it
at the
wasn't.
same time, it shows that she didn't think about her children when she decided to start this course. And this is where the disconnect comes from.
Come on, man.
If she had them in mind, she would have found another program that would facilitate her ability to keep her job, or at least work part-time.
Gotcha, bitch!
She's so wrong to keep wanting him to support her like when they were married. Too many women want this.
Right.
It needs to stop.
This is crazy.
It's not his responsibility to take care of you. You are remarried. I know several moms that go to school full-time and have a job.
What?
Don't they say women don't need a man?
Hmm.
Yes, he paid for your life till you decided you wanted out.
Right.
So leave and support yourself.
Goddamn right.
She divorced him and expected a free ride because he makes more. You chose the marriage and the divorce. Someone doesn't want to work. I bet when she loses her case, she gets a job.
Okay, we'll move on.
Yeah.
Ms. Coates, did you want to call Mr. Acevedo or do you want defer to Mr. Menchie?
Yes, I'll call Mr. Acevedo, please. Would you state your full name for the court, please?
Marco Adam Acevedo.
And in the 3 years that you've all been divorced, you've maintained a 50-50 custody relationship, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you provide, now, do you own a house?
Yes, sir.
The other thing that I want to bring out is, let's talk about that incident. And I don't want to open a dirty wound and go on for hours, but could you briefly describe the reason that Miss Chesser says that you locked her out of the house?
She had committed adultery. She was basically living with another individual, had abandoned us.
What the fuck?
And the children. And that's why I didn't.
And that's her new husband that she got now. Come on, man. And this same man that you left is supposed to fund you and your new... Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Ah! Hell no.
Allow her to come back, and she was basically trying to force her way in the house, being erratic. And I was just looking out for the safety of my children, myself.
This is crazy.
It pains me to say, but if the shoes were reversed, I'd be saying the same thing. Is like, how is it fair that he supports you while you decide, or the children more,
right?
While you decide to go get a college degree for the future, when you got to duty support now, not at his expense, that you want to go get the degree. And I'd be telling him the same thing if he was here asking child support for you. You got 50-50 split. Why should she pay for you to go to school? I mean, I'm trying to figure out why that would be fair this way.
Right.
Okay. I just, while we were married, I was a homemaker, so.
That was your title. That was your job. Sorry you didn't pay much, but you did get taken care of. Ain't that a bitch?
He was the one that provided for us, and I didn't do anything else.
You just said it. You got it. Yo, you let women talk long enough, yo. They just tell you everything, yo. They just tell you everything you need to know, yo. Come on, man. That dumbass. Come on, man. I'm sorry, yo. Oh, I'm mad right now, yo. This is crazy.
She said it perfectly.
Right.
While they were married. He is no longer your husband, so that subject shouldn't be part of the conversation. Why was she still talking about the time she was living with him? That was 3 years ago, and the last time I checked, she was the one who decided to find someone else. Maybe things didn't work out as she envisioned, but it's not his problem.
This is crazy.
You don't leave and expect to take your ex's lifestyle with you. This is one of those cases where she found out the grass wasn't as green as she expected, and now she took him to court. It was interesting that she mentioned she was a homemaker. Maybe she believed since he created the environment where she could be a stay-at-home wife while they were together, she was still entitled to it because she is the mother of his children.
Right.
I really don't know what she was thinking. This is like a man who left his partner and then came back 3 years later, asking her to cook for him because she used to do it when they were together.
Right.
I know it sounds abnormal, but it's similar to her request. Soon she will understand the money and the lifestyle are gone, and now all she needs to do is get used to her new reality. Things will get easier when she accepts that he is no longer responsible for her lifestyle.
This is great.
Not at his expense that you want to go get the degree. And I'd be telling him the same thing if he was here asking child support for you. You got 50-50 split. Why should she pay for you to go to school? I mean, I'm trying to figure out why that would be fair this way.
In the end, the judge denied her request. Fortunately, justice prevailed, and he was able to get out of this situation without having to empty his bank account. And now she has the option to get another job or find another course that will give her the opportunity to work.
Dumbass.
This experience made her understand that she is already an adult and needs to be responsible for the decisions she makes. You can't stop working counting on another person to take care of your responsibilities.
Come on, yo.
So because she didn't have to work, she expects to still not have to work. Here comes the tears. Judge should tell her, I will allow dad to pay. However, when you get your degree, you gotta pay it back with interest. I bet then she would back off.
Facts.
She is sad that he has a house and is happier without her. I can tell by the judge's face she's trying to figure out a way to get her paid. It never fails. I hope this outcome is fair. My question is, why is she crying? This is all for today's video, and we hope you like it. Make sure you check our channel tomorrow for another great content.
Come on, man. That is crazy, yo. Come on, 3 years, yo. And you leave the family? Nah, yo, we ain't doing none of that, yo. Rick, you doing that?
No, sir. Not me.
Hell no, yo. Get gone, yo. Yeah. Get gone. My man said close the door.
There's 1,000 of you. I said close them doors. Ushers, close the doors. Close the doors. Close the doors.
Close the doors. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest, man. We are out here. It is Friday, man. This is crazy work. And look who came up in the building, man. He is here, y'all. He is finally here. Y'all see him. Y'all see my moderator. EJ, I see you, bro. We got them bangers, man.
Bang! It's good!
Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest, man. Oh, EJ, you needed to be here for that one, bro. I hope you catch the replay. Y'all like, share, subscribe, man. It is Friday. Oh yeah. I forgot to tell y'all.
If you're not subscribed to Smoke and Talk, that's on you. They funny, they talk real, and severe, funny as hell.
Just in case y'all forgot, I'm gonna keep reminding you. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. We are out here. It is Friday, y'all. We got them bangers. Shout out to Dr. X. We got body cam footage, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest. Hashtag Dr. X in the chat, man. Didn't get a chance to review this one, so let's turn up with it. Y'all like, share, subscribe. Let's turn up, y'all.
On May 26, 2023 in Harford County, Maryland, 38-year-old Michael Stevens II was released from the Harford County Detention Center after posting bail related to a theft charge. Later that same day, just down the road, Stevens came across a 1986 5-ton military truck sitting in a driveway and decided to steal the vehicle, triggering a pursuit unlike anything deputies had seen before.
Which way do you go? Which way?
Damn! Yo ripped through everything on that street, yeah? I mean on the highway.
Okay, so I understand it's a like military type vehicle?
Yeah, 5-ton. Probably have a picture of it somewhere.
Trying to get an updated location on it right now. Apparently you might have crashed into somebody down in Bel Air.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Did you see a big green army truck? Did you see a big green army truck go by? Excuse me, no speaking. Okay.
Goddamn. That ain't get him nowhere.
Like keys in it or something? Or?
So
no speaker, no
military
English.
vehicle, so there's no keys. It just has switches, so the doors don't lock, and there's no keys to operate it.
Okay.
And I thought he just walked up, to check the truck out.
Yeah.
And I came out of the house and I hear the truck running. So I said, Meredith, is your dad in the truck? And she goes, no, he's right here. Who is that? So I took off running up here, and he started to drive out the driveway. So I got to the end of the driveway, and there was traffic coming, so he couldn't get out. And I jumped up on the running board of the truck, and I was like, get out of my truck, who are you? And he pulled out and started swerving, trying to get me off the truck. And then I got off the truck, and he came towards me head on.
We got it.
We got the rabbit.
The vehicle deputies are following is a 5-ton military cargo truck originally built for the U.S. Army. Despite the name, a 5-ton truck actually weighs more than 10 tons by itself. The 5-ton rating refers to how much cargo it can carry off-road, not its own weight. These trucks were designed to move troops and equipment through rough terrain, and they're built to keep going, even when damaged. The frame and suspension are heavy, the drivetrain is built for torque, and the oversized tires are reinforced to survive long distances on uneven ground. All of that combines to make this pursuit unlike anything we've ever published.
That's a fact, yo. Now, how do you bring that down, yo? I don't think no ordinary spike strip's gonna do with this one, yo. Y'all let me know what y'all think.
Entire history of this channel.
Somebody go 95 south at 152, just in case he hop on 95. I just want somebody to stay there with stop 6, just in case he gets on so we can deploy.
Anybody have South 6 in the area?
Looks like he's going to take 95 south from 24.
Yeah.
Looks like he's taking 95 southbound from 24.
Hey, watch the back. It's going to be debris falling out the back of the bed.
Stop sticks ain't going to do nothing.
Stationary 152 and 95.
Try to blow that bitch up.
Take it over his primary switcher marks. Is that right? I'm on it. Somebody get on 95 south just past 152 and somebody stay on 152.
Yeah. Yo, ain't nothing gonna bring this down, yo.
10-4, lane 2, 95 south.
Yeah, I feel like this chase gonna go on forever, yo. Yo, ain't nothing bringing that big. Hey, yo, ain't nothing bringing that down, yo. You gonna have to blow it up, yo.
75 over 8.
Speed at 55.
Speed at 55.
Is somebody on 95 dispatch 152 or stop 6?
Stop 6.
I'm 1153, 152 and 95. 31 and 1, so 195.
Yeah, get one unit on 95, and everybody that's behind them, let's try and slow the traffic. If we can get the stop 6 deployed, I don't want this vehicle to hit anybody else. All right, we're coming up underneath of 152. If somebody's there with the stop 6, be ready.
Yo.
No, we're coming up on the stop 6. Coming up on stop 6. So, looks like you hit 1 stop.
Ain't gonna do nothing, man. James, that's a fact, man.
About a mile, see if you get another stop 6.
Yo, that is an army vehicle, yo.
This is right.
Stop the show. You already know it's Friday. He done pulled into the stop, y'all. You already know the vibes. I see you, Brody. Thank you for being here. Big Natty's in the building, y'all.
It's good.
Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest, man. This is crazy. Ain't nothing bringing that truck down, yo. Y'all gonna have to blow it up. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Like, share, subscribe. Let go.
We got another set of stop 6 being deployed. Let's get that branch on. Another set of stop 6 deployed at branch on.
Yo. And he is gating it, yo. Yo, how fast do them trucks go? And I've been on one of them things before. Pause. I mean, I rode on the truck. On plenty of those trucks. That's great. I never know how fast they go, yo, because he is gone.
They got jammed up. Well, he went on the shoulder as well. Nah, I tried to get him to go further. Just get past him again.
I believe he hit 5.
Y'all hit that like button.
You guys, you believe he hit your stop 6? Yeah, the first time looked like one interior tire on the rear may be down, but he's down about 8. 10-4. Dispatch. Speaking with the other caller, do we have any control destinations? Negative. He lives in Abingdon. He headed that way, but he's not going tomorrow.
Hey, be careful with those stop 6. He's coming over in the lanes.
Hey, just be ready to jump if he comes at us.
Watch yourself. Watch yourself. He might try and hit you. Get out the road. Get out the road. Get out the road.
Yo. Oh yeah, he trying to take them out. Oh, told you, yo, ain't no stop strips gonna stop that, yo. Y'all gonna have to shoot that tire with a bazooka or something.
Recheck with JFK, see if they can provide any assistance.
Yeah.
Get Match 5 shut down completely. We'll call them back, but I believe that they don't have any units. We're expressways.
Yo, EJ say them trucks go about 60, yo. They look like he doing 80. Crazy.
That's 67 over 7. So we're entrance of expressway 67 inside.
we can get another unit up, couple units up ahead of the stop stick. Where the Jersey water, you can see only 2 lanes a little further.
More units ahead, South 6.
95 southbound, approaching 695, mile marker 66.
95 and 695, copy.
Yeah.
The 2 troopers ahead in the express lanes of the South 6. Effort.
No!
Crossover local at 65 over 9.
He just made his way over. He on the right side now. Yeah.
65 over 2. Foxtrot to the unit behind him, still on the exit on that. Please exit 64 courtroom. Behavior order, you still up? Did you pass White Marsh yet?
We're past White Marsh, we're right at 695.
Oh, snap! They in the city now. Oh, coming up on it.
Continuing 95 and 695 exit. Don't deploy any more South 62. Head towards him. Concrete bottom pits. We have that effect on these tires. Headboard, do not deploy any more South 6. Harper County Aviation, to Harper County.
Yeah.
Alright, Foxtrot. I'm at 95 and 695. Where you guys at?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
I was directly behind you.
Oh shit!
Are there any people down? This represents location. He has a gun. He has a rifle, guys. We caution like you should check for a rifle out of the driver's window here. They're in the blind t-shirt. He's not a helicopter. Go ahead. Look like a rifle here.
Yeah.
Unit 210 he has a rifle out the driver's side window.
With deputies reporting that the suspect now had a rifle hanging out the window,
goddamn,
units ease off. The helicopter maintains visual from above, while Squad 1 follows at a distance as the truck exits the interstate and heads into a residential neighborhood.
Yo!
The suspect slows at a light to make a left turn. Deputies close back in.
Yo! Hey, yo! Okay, yeah, because it came from White Marsh. Right now, y'all gotta listen to me, y'all. They in my hood, y'all. They in my neck of the woods. I used to live in this area. The street that they on now is called Pulaski Highway, which is in East Baltimore, that leads east to west and throughout, I think Howard County or something like that, some kind of county, which goes back there where White Marsh is and on back. But this is crazy. And if they keep driving, you'll see Johns Hopkins Hospital, one of the world's famous hospitals. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. This is crazy, man. Yo, but he stopped at the light. Hey, yo, what? Yo, come on, yo. How dumb can you be, yo? They already telling you, yo. Seriously, bruh? This what we doing? This dude got on, he stopped and he got on his blinker. Yo, this is some crazy ish, yo. Y'all like, share, subscribe, man. Oh yeah. He just turned. Oh, what's the name of this street? I forgot. Oh yeah. They are in the. He is. Yeah. They are showing up in the city right now, ladies and gentlemen.
Unlock it. Undo the back.
Yo!
Right here, right.
I don't remember seeing this on the news or nothing, yo.
Right here. All right, he's going back. He's going back out to 40.
Oh, snap.
Back out to 40. Stop. Go. I got you. Hands, get on the ground. Stop. Drop it down. Get on.
Yo, he's still running. Yo. Yo, they had rifles pointing at you. Yo, still ran, yo. We got action, yo.
Oh, good. What's up, dude? Come on.
They got the hands out.
Come on.
Ground patrol. What's your back?
Watch it.
Roll over.
They got the hands out.
That's a good boy. Hey, watch it. To the side. Stand up.
Yeah.
That's a good boy. Yeah, boy. Hey, sit. That's a good boy. Where's your boy? Where's your boy? Good job. Who did a good job, brother? Huh? That's a good boy. That's a good job.
Work, Tosh.
That's a first. I haven't been back in the city since I left. Let's put in one of these cars. Got it now.
Hold on.
Oh, I got lost my tires. I know. I had lost my tires. Still got. Let's get somebody out with the truck. Yeah. What happened?
You said what happened? Hey, yo. What we doing, yeah? Yo, this nigga gotta be high or something, yo. Meth, something.
That's fentanyl.
Okay, now I know.
What just happened? What do you mean what happened?
Right.
You're running from us. For what? Well, you took a truck. I just got out of jail.
You're going back, sir.
That's a good boy. Yeah, buddy. That's a good job. What's up, brother?
See ya.
Thanks for coming out, brother.
Where'd they end up catching him on foot at? Right there. Down there. Yeah, he jumped, he broke. They got him right at the mouth of the alley before he got out on East Highland.
Yeah.
Was there any rifle in the truck? I thought he was looking.
I looked real quick. I didn't see it.
No rifle? Okay.
I didn't see it.
Can I get some water?
No, nigga. You don't get shit right now, bro.
I don't even know what's going on.
I swear I don't know.
Bro, good job, man. You saw what he did?
Stop the show.
Is he running towards
Stop the goddamn show. He is in the building. Y'all know the vibes. VA's in the building, y'all. Y'all ninjas funnies in the building. And he done hit the super chat. He say about to twist up some fire. Salute Severe and the Smoke Squad. It's Friday, ninjas. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest. Y'all already know the vibes, man. It is Friday, y'all. Y'all already know.
Oh, just give me my money. Just give me my money. Okay. Just give me my money. Okay.
Give me my money.
Y'all like, share, subscribe, man. We are out here, man. It is Friday. Auntie, talk to him.
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around. With your broke ass.
You already know. This dude done stole the whole army truck. And went barreling through the city. My city, goddammit. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button.
Starts going like this.
Bro, you good?
Oh, he started going like this. He go under his shirt. So I backed out to the side. I'm sweating.
I don't got reception.
Nothing. But he kept underneath his shirt like he was pointing something. That's why I grabbed his hand. Because I couldn't see under the shirt, obviously. It could have been something small.
The suspect, Michael D. Stevens II, was taken into custody after the pursuit ended, fleeing on foot briefly before being stopped by deputies. Although deputies reported seeing a rifle during the chase, no weapon was found. Stevens was charged with multiple offenses, including first-degree assault, felony theft, and fleeing and eluding. The stolen military vehicle was returned to its owner, and no bystanders were injured throughout the pursuit. As of the latest available records, Stevens has not been sentenced in this case, and he is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
What? He ain't get no time for that. We seen him do that. Hey, yo, that's some hey. Oh, yeah, the word tonight is asinine tonight, yo. Come on, man. Come on. Yo, he ain't get time for that. He literally stole a truck, yo. And went barreling through the city. Yo, what is this justice coming to, man? And look who came in the building, man. GA's in the building. CDT Beats is in the goddamn building.
Bang! It's good!
What up, Brody? How I'm sounding? Thank you for being here. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest, man. This is crazy work, yo. How did he not get time for that? Man, justice system ain't shit. Yeah, that's right. The word of the night is asinine, goddammit. Yeah, that is crazy work, yo. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Oh, man. I need a timeout, y'all. Y'all turn up with me, man.
Oh, Habibi! No, you shit! Fuck it up! Yo! Let's go! Go, Habibi! Go, Mufasa! Go, Habibi! Hey! Fuck it up!
Hey, y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest, man. It is Friday. Memberships is now open. Super chats is now open. Become a member of Smoke and Talk today. Come rock out with the squad, man. Oh, man. Let me get this next clip up for y'all. Oh, man. Y'all hashtag severe for this one. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one, man. We got secrets, and we trying to bring them out of them. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button.
Hello?
Let go.
Hey, baby girl, how's it going? Who the hell is this calling me baby girl?
This is Lonnie. I know it's been a minute.
A minute? Damn, like 20 years, nigga. What you doing calling me?
Nah, I was just calling because I got something to run by you. I think we have a situation and we need to figure it out. So
now, what kind of situation could we have after 20 damn years?
You got a 20-year-old son, right?
I do.
The one that you was pregnant with when the last time we talked?
Okay.
What the fuck? And so this is the thing, right? Did you ever find out who the daddy was? Was it me or was it him? If it wasn't him, then it was me. But did you ever find out?
It's been 20 years. You wasn't concerned then. There's no need to be concerned now.
Well, the reason why I wasn't concerned.
About your business.
Listen, the reason why I wasn't concerned is because when you told me you was pregnant, I asked you was it mine. The only reason why I asked you was it mine because we was each other's side piece. I had a woman, you had a man, so it could have been either his or yours because we damn sure wasn't strapping up. So that's the only reason why I asked that question.
Damn. It's crazy work. Shout out to EJ for hitting the super chat, man. He say when robbing Uncle Sam goes wrong for Brad, you going to jail. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Look who's in the building, y'all. Case and Kansas up in the building. What up, bro? Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel, man. Support your interests. We are out here. We got lies. We got deceit. We got secrets, man. Let's turn up.
But here we are 20 years later, and I need to find out if that's my son or not.
Now, what difference is it going to make 20 years later?
Okay, all right. Well, the reason why I want to know now is because my daughter came to me and told me after a year she'd been dealing with this dude, and she wanted me to meet him. So I'm like, all right, cool. So I meet him. Me and him meet up. And I asked him questions about his family. He get to showing me a picture of his family. You happen to be his mama. What? So we need to figure out if that's my son, because if that's my son, he fucking his sister.
What the fuck? Yo!
A few minutes ago, she asked him.
Hey, yo! Hey, yo, what just happened here? I say, goddamn. Y'all like, share, and subscribe, man. This is crazy work.
What difference it made, as though time would somehow resolve everything. Some people think they can hide the truth, yet it always finds a way to surface, no matter how long it takes. She probably didn't expect things to unfold this way, and now they're facing an even bigger issue.
And we need to stop that shit.
Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my God.
Yeah, I know. That's the same thing I said. I didn't tell him who I was. But when I seen your picture and you the mama, oh man, this is it. I told my daughter though, because I told my daughter she needed to leave him alone. And I told her not to say nothing to him until I find out for sure. So you gotta figure out a way to get this dude to get a DNA test, because he's 20 years old and he probably gonna ask questions. You see what I'm saying? So we need to figure this out, because
well, are you 100% sure that they already slept together?
They've been together for a year.
What the fuck? Hey! That ain't no hillbilly shit right there. Mark Cooper says this Mississippi. Bruh. Yeah. This is crazy work right now, y'all. Yo, y'all like, share, and subscribe, man. Let go.
Okay.
She finally decides she want me to meet him because he's some old good guy. She in love with the dude. What?
Oh, shit. Goddamn.
Yeah, goddamn.
Fuck.
See, you should have just told me. You know, we should have just look when. Oh my gosh. What? When the boy was born, you either should have found out if dude was a daddy, or should have came and hollered at me, and we would have found out if I was a daddy. Then we wouldn't be in this situation.
Well, he was my siding. I wasn't trying to keep you around for long anyway.
He made a valid point. She could have prevented this situation if she had wanted to. Yet instead, she chose to protect herself by keeping it hidden from everyone, which ultimately led them to this position.
Now let's talk about it, man. She had a dude, he had a girl, and they was both creeping off on each other. So you get pregnant, don't know if it's your man's or his, you just shut up altogether, altogether, and don't tell nobody, but still have this baby though. Come on now. Now your son out here possibly meeting his goddamn half sister.
Let him cook.
This is crazy work, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think if y'all was in this situation. Or do y'all know somebody in this situation? Y'all let me know. Y'all like, share, subscribe, man. This is crazy work, y'all.
She explained that she stayed silent because he was only a side guy and she had no intention of keeping him in her life.
Right.
But that doesn't justify withholding such important information from the child's real father. She also failed to think about her son, who was denied the chance to know and spend time with his biological parent. And that is not right. In truth, none of this would have happened if she hadn't been unfaithful. And now this young couple has to deal with the consequences of a decision she made 20 years ago.
So I wasn't concerning. I know he gonna take care of them regardless.
Man,
Stop the cap.
And he ain't never want no DNA test?
Why would he? I'm his wife.
What? Hey, yo! Scandalous!
What the fuck?
Scandalous! Yo, this is crazy work right now.
God damn it! You can't make this shit up!
Yo, she said, why would he? I'm his wife. Oh, hell nah. Man, this is crazy. This is goddamn crazy.
Oh, he gonna be mad. That's my son.
This case, along with what she just said, shows why many believe a DNA test should be done at birth, regardless of the couple's status. She argued that her husband had no reason to request one because as his wife, he should trust her fully. There shouldn't be any doubts, but her own actions contradict that concept.
What the fuck?
It's difficult to understand how she could make that statement with such confidence while knowing she had been unfaithful.
This is crazy.
This is unreal. The hardest part is that, as he mentioned, her husband is unlikely to take this news well.
Right.
He won't appreciate learning that he was led to believe he was raising his own child. Her response is the answer. It took 20 years to ask. When she said, "What difference does it make?" Immediately, yes. When I was a teen, I tried to holla at this girl after seeing her around for years. So I finally see her and start my approach to get her number. Her response was like, "You are a really cute guy, but my father has a lot of kids floating around, and you look just like him." I was thinking that was the most well-thought-out rejection I have ever heard.
What?
Moving forward 15 years later, come to find out she is my blood sister.
God damn!
I'm so glad she knew.
God damn! Jesus! God damn! Oh, this is crazy! Yeah. We got incest floating around here. God damn.
That's the short version. 3 things that never stay hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth.
Well, let's hope and pray that he's not.
Yeah,
I don't think he is.
I hope and pray that he ain't, because I don't want my daughter fucking her brother. But if he is, you got a couple problems on your hand, because you should have kept it honest with that man.
That's a fact.
That's all I'm talking about. So listen, figure out how we finna get this DNA test, and we're gonna take it from there. So, you know, hey, hit me up. This my number. Lock me in your phone. I'm gonna holler at you in a minute.
All right. All right, bye.
Yep.
He posted another video a few weeks later. They managed to complete the DNA test, and he revealed the result.
Y'all lock in.
Hey, they're closed.
They are?
Yeah.
What you got to?
I got the results.
Yeah. All right, let's walk. Shoot, get over here so you can see this too. Get over here so you can see this.
You see my man, they sweating it at all.
What does it say?
Fuck!
Oh my God.
Bang! Bang! It's good!
Let go! Let go! Lucy, you got some explaining to do. Y'all like, share, subscribe, man.
I knew it. Oh my gosh.
So after the DNA test, it was proven that the husband is not the father. And now many people will be affected by this result. Imagine what must be going through the minds of this young couple after discovering they are actually siblings.
Yeah.
It likely feels like a nightmare they'll struggle to recover from. Then there's the husband, who built a father-son bond over 20 years. He will undoubtedly be devastated by this outcome. And all...
Oh, because your ass was hot in the ass. God damn, dog. Yeah. Yo, this is crazy work, man.
All of this drama could have been avoided if she had chosen differently.
You give birth. The doctor comes into the room and asks your husband and only your husband if he wants to do a DNA test to make sure the baby's his. He says yes. Is he wrong for that?
Yes, he is wrong for that. If he wants to do it, I'ma do it, and he won't have a wife by the end of it.
Get the DNA test, make sure it's yours. She got a problem with that? She doing something. I'm gonna be honest, she doing something.
Yeah, he's in the wrong. You should have all your trust in your wife, and you shouldn't have to like question whether she's like cheating or anything.
We both agree that it's fucked
that's
up.
a little messed up because you don't trust your wife who just gave birth to your child. Like, yeah, come on.
Supposedly your child. It's the whole thing right there, man. Come on, man.
My first wife told me she was pregnant with my child, and I married her. And she told me 8 years later whose child it really was. Yes, go ahead and do the DNA test.
It's a fact.
And when you find yourself in the wrong, I would have left the house never to come back. I agree it should be mandatory. However, if a husband would chose that, then he doesn't trust me, so I'll lose respect for him.
You bitch.
So if he doesn't, when the kid's 18 and turns out not to be his, you have to back pay everything for the last 18 years to that man.
That's a fact. And that's the thing right there, yo. They won't implement that and they won't push that, yo. It's like, yo, you can kick out for a child for the whole 18 years. Good, bad, and the ugly, yo. And you ain't, even when you ain't got it, yo, all to come to find out that this kid is not yours and you can't reap the benefits back because this person lied to you for 18 years, yo. This is crazy work, man. Come on, man. They need to put in a system or something,
Let
man.
him cook.
It is too many people out here, mainly fathers, that get jerked like this, man. Come on, yo. This is crazy work, yo. And I mean, and it ain't even. I'm sorry, you don't even get that. There's a story that's out. Well, that was out years ago, and we also covered it. Where at the same time, a woman was trying to get child support, and of course she didn't know who the father was, and she just put any random name on it, and had a man paying for her child that she ain't even have sex with, laid down with this man or nothing. Just put his name on the birth certificate. Ain't met this man from Adam from a bag of weed, yo. Ain't even know this chick. I be damn if I'm paying for something that I ain't stick. You can take that to the bank. Y'all like, share, subscribe, man. This is crazy.
Statistics say 30% of men aren't the biological father. Test DNA all the way. I don't understand why they would feel offended by their husband or boyfriend in this situation, especially since we know these things can happen. Like in the first case, where a man raised someone else's child for over 20 years. From their responses, it sounded as though being married or in a relationship would automatically make a woman incapable of being unfaithful.
Right.
But that clearly isn't true. So I don't see anything wrong with wanting full confirmation that the child is yours. I also don't understand those who say they would end the relationship over it. In my view, that kind of reaction suggests there may be something they're trying to hide.
Let him
cook! It's the only explanation that seems to justify such a response.
Why is it that DNA paternity tests are still not mandatory at childbirth? Because the reality is there's a lot of men that are raising kids that are not theirs. And it is sad to see when somebody finds out 20 years down the line that the child that they've been...
I ain't mad at you, Juice. You almost made it. Thanks for being here.
investing in is not theirs. Then they spiral out of control.
My wife, she called me Mr. DNA because every child I do DNA.
Uh-huh.
The ladies in the comments sounds very suspicious.
Right.
A lot of men that are raising kids that are not theirs have made a choice to. They are aware, but they chose to stay. Child support should also be mandatory at childbirth. I know most of us are used to women backing other female creators, But based on the comment section of this video, this creator received a very different response from her audience, which makes me think they don't agree with her message. But I believe she raised a valid point, especially when highlighting the impact on those who spend years raising a child they believed was their own.
Come on, man. Come on, man. I mean, damn, yo. The things women do, yo. Y'all make sure you hit that like button. Support your interest, man. That was crazy, yo. And come to find out, that is his son, yo. Yeah. You got some explaining to do, Lucy. This is crazy work, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest, man. It is Friday, man. Some nasty, nasty work.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Yo. Got the daughter fucking the son. You know what I mean? And it's yo. Boy, you never know. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest, man. We are out here tonight. Oh, man. It's crazy, crazy work, y'all. Let me try to get this next clip up for y'all, man. Thank y'all for being here. We are cooking tonight, man. Oh, hashtag DG for this one, man. I think this one gonna go crazy too, just by the name. Let's check it out. Y'all like, share, and subscribe. Okay, y'all. Let's turn up.
On July 7th, 20... Des Moines Police Department responded to a call from an Uber driver after his passenger stole his wallet and attacked him.
I'm exhausted.
No, I'm not. Y'all don't know me. So don't walk up on me.
Right.
Yeah, that's cool. It doesn't matter. I've been walking on my own. I'm a female. I've been walking.
What that mean?
No, I got an Uber.
This was my license. Here's my license. All the wallet.
After this, I ain't gonna walk.
Are you good, Apples?
Okay, I'm the only female.
What happened tonight, partner?
I've tried to reach to a place. Lift. I've tried. I've gone Sako. That place is very close.
Okay.
Very close.
Or you're taking her?
Yes. Okay. Now I can't reach there. I tried to explain to her. She's drunk. We can't be on the same page. I did my best. I can.
Yeah.
You said I did my best I can. Y'all pay attention. I think I know why DG wanted to play this.
Now it's like I gave an option. I can walk her to the place. No.
Okay. You said she bit you?
She bit me.
I don't.
In your head.
I tried to block her.
Yeah, she bit him in the scalp. Yeah, my man got teeth marks in his head, yeah. Hell yeah.
Hands.
Yeah. Where at? Just on the top?
It's just on top here. She was trying to hit my head.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't see anything. She bit with her teeth?
Yeah, no, with her hands. Bare hands, but I tried I held them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So she didn't really get a good...
wrecked even the holder for the mountain for phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how did she get your ID?
Right.
She grabbed it. She was on the wallet. She took with the wallet. Just hanging somewhere there.
Yeah, it was probably in a cup holder or the seat or something. She probably reached up and grabbed it. Probably seen it, yo. Nah, yeah, you gotta keep that on you, bro.
She grabbed everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have all the contents back?
Do I have what?
All the contents, the wallet and your ID.
She took it. I didn't want to fight her.
Okay.
Stop the show. She's here, y'all. And it keeps on getting better. My moderator's in the building, y'all. Tisa's here, y'all.
Bang! Bang! It's good!
Happy birthday, mama. This show is dedicated to you. I hope you know that. Like, share, and subscribe, man. I can't even talk right now. Like, share, subscribe. We are out here, man. Let's turn up.
I tried to check it like here.
Y'all say happy birthday to Tisa.
You care if I open this door?
Yeah, she was seated here.
Okay.
Yeah. Seated at the back.
So she's behind you?
Yeah.
She did break your glasses?
Yeah.
No wallet.
I don't know whose wallet that is. That's not my.
It's a brown wallet.
Oh my God! No, what?
Oh, you can stay here.
No.
They don't know
you
nothing.
or me? No. We're gonna walk.
You want?
I don't know, Fred.
Hey, stop.
No.
Stop.
Oh my God,
my partner.
Fred.
Yeah.
That's my partner.
I do not know you, right?
Yo. Time out. Flag on the play. I'm sorry, we gotta take a pause for the calls. This is for all the fellas. This is for all the milk lovers in the house tonight.
Let me suck them titties, baby.
Ow.
Oh, yeah. Let me suck them titties, baby. Let me suck them titties, baby. I know.
God damn, I want some milk and cookies now. What are we doing here?
To my partner.
Why do you have his wallet?
Oh my God!
Do you want charges on her?
You're not.
Police charges?
Walk up, fine.
Please.
Do you want charges?
Like,
I don't know you guys.
him.
Yeah,
What the
it's just
fuck?
let her go. You get me more wallet.
Is everything in here?
Stop. You get closer, you're gonna go to jail.
Oh my God, y'all trying to do that because y'all think I'm a female that
That has nothing to do with anything.
What? I'm trying to tell you guys.
that what? Run that back for the short, slow people in the back. What did she just say?
I'm trying to do that because y'all think I'm a female that
That has nothing to do with anything.
What I'm trying to tell you
literally
guys.
have his wallet.
What the hell type of gibberish was that, yo?
In his possession.
Oh my God, Fred! Do
All right, that's it. Yep, I'm done with it.
Oh
I'm
my
done.
God, when I'm trying to know.
I'm gonna break your arm if you
You're wrong.
Stop.
When I'm trying to tell you guys, oh my
Stop.
daughter, I have a daughter. Look, when y'all are not trying to listen. Oh my God.
I see you, DeAndre.
Fred! Even though I was being rude. Oh my God. Oh my daughter. This is what I'm saying. Y'all do that because I'm black. That's so
Hold on. Hold on. Oh, you know you blessed, huh? If you know the song. Nah, he ain't gonna do that to y'all again. She knows she heavy chested. Ain't that a bitch?
I need to go sit down because I was trying to tell you, like, Fred, please, I'm black. Like, please. That's
What that mean?
I
did my best.
Yo, they gonna pop up.
No, they thought that I came up to the store and said something to you.
They don't do that, John.
I told you. Oh my God. This is
EJ, get your brother in here, man.
so. Wait, can you please
Stop. Stop.
No, I know.
Get in.
But can you please be
Get
real?
in. Get in. We've been trying.
You don't know. Stop. Listen.
You got 3 seconds or you're gonna get another charge.
I'm gonna. I
2.
know. I want you to be real.
I know it. I know it. Let go. Let's turn up, yo. EJ in that super chat, yo. He say, let me suck them titties, baby. If I had 4 hands, 4 hands more, hand milk them titties. I got you now, yo. Yo, this is crazy work right now, yo. If you know the song, sing along.
Sucking titties, I know, yeah, I know, yeah. Let me suck them titties, baby. Oh, yeah, let me suck them titties, baby.
Let him cook.
Suck them titties, baby. I know. Suck them titties on the west side.
Yeah.
suck them titties on the breast side. Best titties I ever had. Oh, let me suck them titties right now.
Y'all like, share, subscribe, man. This is crazy.
Don't do that because I'm black. I hate that. I live down the street. And he's a crackhead who always does.
Yo, look at it. We got to blind out, yo.
I will.
Got to dress all up, titties all up.
Like, I'm trying to tell you.
Yo, what we doing?
Guys, that.
Get in the car. Move your leg. Get in the car now.
Good.
I don't want to force you to. We'll listen when you're in the car. I tried listening to you, but
you did it.
You've been disrespectful this whole time.
And when I was trying to tell you.
Get in the car.
Oh my God, Kim.
So you're gonna. Hey, stop.
Kim, listen. Oh my God, this is one thing. My dad. Oh my God.
You're gonna add a felony to your charges.
I'm trying to tell you.
If you don't get in the car, you're gonna have a felony. Stop.
Oh my God, when I'm.
Sit down.
I'm literally. Oh my God, you're not trying to listen to me.
You're under arrest. Get in.
Listen.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Kim, one of you guys.
Listen, get in.
You're not.
If
this is what I hate.
Yeah.
Cause y'all don't. When y'all, I'm really. I know.
Interference.
You see, and look, you're one of them cops like my uncle who want to keep acting when I'm really trying to ask you guys. Wait.
No. Right.
Oh my God.
Get in the car.
No.
Get in the car.
Are you gonna listen to me, please?
Get in the car.
What?
Get on the car.
You don't have to do that. Just say not my name. No, listen. My name. No, please. Oh my God. People like me don't try to.
Juice, that portion, that show, part of the portion of the show was not for you.
Hey, I know my name is hard to exchange. R-O. I'm just asking. Y'all don't understand.
You haven't listened to us once.
Because y'all haven't listened to me. I'm a 21-year-old woman who don't have nothing else to live for but a 1-year-old daughter.
Okay.
So I understand you.
So why are you out here right now and you ain't not home with your daughter, man? It's bad parenting.
You're not listening. You're not. No, you're being like, oh, this is what happened. This is what happened. You're not listening to me. As me trying to talk to you. You're listening
to us once. I've asked you multiple times to get in the car.
For one,
and you haven't.
Out of everybody, I've been listening to.
No, you haven't. Please get in the car.
Please get in the car.
Please get in the car.
Like, you don't understand.
I don't. You're right. Please get in the car.
You don't.
Please.
You don't. When I've been trying to ask you, but none of y'all came up to me.
We're going to
get one officer.
Get your leg in.
I never got into no trouble, so now.
Please get your other leg in.
What that has to do with anything, man? They're here now. So what you do?
Car.
And y'all still gonna see me. It's because I'm black. It's okay. Like, damn, I'm trying.
Do you just want to take it up there? That'll probably be easier. You try to find my flashlight. Oh yeah.
You need my license? What do you need?
Yeah, we'll get your information from you real quick.
Okay.
I'm gonna look for something real quick here. Yeah. Do you want charges pressed?
I don't know.
Or you just want her out of here? She's going to jail regardless, so.
Yeah. Just take her to jail, then let her go.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give you a case card regarding this anyway.
Okay.
So. But you don't want any charges against her? Okay. You just want her out and drunk and being an idiot?
No, it's just idiots.
Okay, Alfred, here's the case. Okay. Like I said, we'll narrate in here how you're the Lyft driver. She's being erratic with you.
Yeah.
Obviously, she didn't listen to anything we've said.
Okay.
She wouldn't listen to us once we even got her in the house, close to the car. But you don't want any charges taken against
her?
Okay.
Yeah, hit that like button.
It's not fun. She's just, as you say, idiots.
Yep.
I don't know what she's doing.
120 Adam.
Alrighty, sir. I will let you finish up your night and get home then if you don't have any other questions.
No, if I have any question, I'll get in touch with you.
I appreciate it, Alfred. I'm sorry your morning was started like this.
It has been bad.
Well, have a good night.
Yeah, 35.5 because FINAL wasn't in progress.
Act like I did it. Because you told me get in the car and be cool. And that's exactly what I did. So other than that, there's nothing in this world ever interferes.
What is you talking? Yo, they just be talking about nothing, yo. Yo, you could tell she drunk as hell.
Alrighty, miss. Have you hop out, okay? Hey, listen, the faster we get in, faster...
Yo, you're trying to... When I asked you, could I get out when I was around my house, what did you say?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You told me no. When I told you it was only my daughter who was out there in the car, so now what?
Hey, yo.
What happened on honest?
You ain't say nothing like that, yo. What the fuck? You kept talking about racism and you 21 and all you got is... What did she say? What'd she say? I forgot. Goddamn, yo.
Please, what happens when somebody's in an Uber and their mom doesn't go with them?
I don't know what to tell you on that.
You want my daughter to get away from me?
No, that's not it.
Yeah, you do.
Hop on out first, please.
Yo, now she don't want to get out. That they had a hard time getting her ass in there, yo.
Exactly what you're saying is how I'm feeling, and that is so wrong.
Miss Martin, will you come out and come with me, please? I just got a couple of questions to ask you.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, it does.
I don't want to be rude to you because you're black and I feel you, but I'm going to jail because two white cracker ass fucking cops couldn't find my house when I ordered the fucking Uber.
I'm just gonna fix your problem.
You can, but it's not the point. Like, I'm still going to jail because of them. I ordered a Uber. They couldn't find my Uber in the location, so they would have sent me to jail. That is not legal.
Yeah.
Be real. You should know this.
How does that even sound, yo? Sending you to jail because you can't find your Uber. How does that sound, yo?
Not legal. But they cannot legally take me to jail for an Uber.
Oh, man, I get glad you're stressed out.
They took me to jail for an Uber.
Can you listen to me for a second?
I don't have no drugs on me. I don't have a warrant.
Miss Martin, can you listen to me for a second?
It doesn't. I want you to honestly be real with me.
I will
be real with you.
Honestly.
Hey, yo,
that's wrong.
you need to sleep this off, man. You really do. You really need to sleep this off. What are we doing here, yo? You talking outside of your neck.
Oh, y'all taking me to jail, y'all underestimating me.
Ma'am, if you give me the opportunity to get you inside, I can look at your phone. Yes, I don't have any. I don't have any proof that we can get inside.
It don't even matter. Like, I trust you so much.
Hey, yo. Yo, this chick got problems, yo. Yo. She drunk and she on something, yo.
One crazy ass bitch.
Yo, what are we doing here?
I got napkins inside. I can wipe your face off when we get in, okay? And then I can look at your bond information. Probably not even that much now, okay?
And what about my bond? Doesn't matter. Y'all are making me go to jail for no reason. That should be illegal. How do white ass cops keep taking people to jail for no reason?
Miss Martin.
Okay. What did you take me to jail for?
Okay, Miss Martin.
I'm sorry. Let me sit back down. So it doesn't give you a reason to be rude or mean to me because I don't have no. Excuse me. What did you take me to jail? No, you gotta think.
I know. And
a lot of black people go to jail because they don't never say what they took somebody.
What she talking about? God damn. And he done stepped up in the building, man. DG's in the building.
Bang! It's good!
DG, you see what I see?
In jail for. What did you take me to jail for in front of her face? No, seriously, you need to be a real
It's right on this paper, miss.
No.
Public intoxication, interference with
That's not when you pulled me over in the car with the flashlight. That's not what you say you pulled me over for. Because I was in the back seat.
Okay, ma'am.
No, I was in the back seat. Listen.
I'm listening.
I know you don't want to make them seem like you're going against him because I really don't want them to. Because I know you're. No, I understand. No, you can say what you say. I really understand.
I don't want you
so
to
let me stop.
get any more charges. Is what I don't want. So I just don't want you to keep
You
yelling
can
at
say
them.
that.
I just don't want you.
But let me stop.
She said you
Will
can
you
say
come walk
that.
inside with me? Will you come walk inside with me? Okay. Let's go walk inside.
I'm trying to ask you. You're acting dumb. Or maybe you are asking me. I'm not.
What's your question? You were going to the dominant car, you run.
Okay.
You hit that like button.
No, see, now you're acting stupid. I don't know if I can trust you now either.
Ma'am?
All the other ones, even the one who booked me in every time, never says that.
I would
You're acting dumb though. Like you're not acting like you're getting it with me. Like
Miss Martin, you're only going for public intox, and that's because it's
but
your
how
safest.
before I was public intoxin?
Wait, can I just?
But
explain
no,
something?
how are you getting for me for public
This is
intoxin when I
why.
was outside of my own house and I sat here and I told him that I'm at home and you might not can get me.
What difference does that make, man? First of all, you're public intoxication. That means you're outside. Second of all, that means you're in public. You're not in your own house. And they about to fall out, yo. Y'all see that? God damn.
But
So the Uber
so how are you getting me for my own public intoxication when I'm at home?
Okay, Miss Martin.
And stop because you was not helping me out when I was at home. When I was down the street from my house, you was listening to this fucking white ass cracker when I was down the street from my fucking house. For one, when I pulled him up to my house, you came to go because my tree is messed up.
Okay.
No, you're not understanding me, and you're acting dumb.
I get that.
I wish the other fucking worker was here, because that bitch don't play. She stands on business. I don't know about you. You might have just got your job or whatever you got.
You were stressed out. Okay.
It's not about that. I know my rights.
Okay.
I'm about to
I got out of my
assault.
Obviously you don't.
And theft.
Walk in with me voluntarily. I'm going to have to get a lot of other officers out here.
For what?
Help me.
Yeah, she stole his wallet and bit his finger.
Stole what? I never stole anything.
If you are not going to go,
the fuck?
Look, if you're not going to go voluntarily, I'm going to have to.
I never stole anything, and I just heard him say I stole something. I never stole anything.
Okay.
If you're not going to go
I live
voluntarily,
at
Miss Martin.
30, whatever the fuck it's called. You can call Emily,
Miss Martin.
all of them.
Hey, yo.
Look, I will give you one more chance.
You're trying to do this? I hope you know these fucking white people don't care about your dumb ass.
Okay. We're here.
When they vote the other niggas, your dumb ass is getting up out of here. So you better get your green card, you stupid. What you want to keep? Shut up. Back the fuck up. No.
Are you gonna
Only
walk
she
with her
can
nice?
touch me. She's black. Don't let her
You
go.
gotta walk-
I don't trust her. I
walk
don't
nice
care.
with her.
I
Walk
don't trust him. You need to know that. The fuck? I get you on your job. Do fucking better. I don't care.
I want to make sure that everything.
No. Get it together. Thank you. Get it together. Matter of fact, can you please pull my shirt down?
Pull it down.
Down.
Is it called?
That with me. You see my big ass.
Oh, I thought it was a time. I thought it was a time now. That's my fault.
Girl, my shirt ain't going nowhere. I don't want him to look. Keep trying to walk No. I was going to run this side. Look, I was going to
You
this
need
side.
to calm down, alright? We're going to go inside.
See? And I was just trying to say.
She was then booked into the Polk County Jail, where she was charged with assault, theft, interference with official acts, and public intox. If you enjoy the content, like, comment, and subscribe for more.
Yeah, damn, yeah. Oh, man, you already know. You up there drunk in front of your house, so you say, but it looked like you had abandoned lot. That Uber driver ain't know where to take you at, man. You talking about you in front of your house. Desi, talk to her.
Lock his ass up. Lock his ass up. You're going to jail. You're going to jail.
You already know. Come on, man, talking about you in front of your goddamn house, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, like, share, subscribe, man. This is crazy work. EJ say, I'll give Pukisha a pass. Let me suck them titties. EJ staying on business tonight, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest, man. We are out here. It is Friday, man. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, man. She done came up in the building. She done crept past me. I see you, mama, and it keeps on getting better. My members in the building. Miss Lawrence here, y'all. Thank you for being here. Y'all like, share, subscribe. Y'all like, share, subscribe, man. We are out here. Let me get this next clip up for y'all, man. Oh, man. This is crazy work, man. Oh, yeah, y'all.
If you're not subscribed to Smoke and Talk, that's on you. They funny, they talk real, and severe, funny as hell.
Just in case y'all forgot, I keep reminding you. You already know.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Okay. Come on. Oh, yeah. Y'all hashtag severe for this one. Thought I can get up in the mix, too. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest, man. We got another delusional woman, man.
Not constitute, and then he goes on to say,
y'all check this out.
Does not constitute a marketable value of the business. Well, that does, Your Honor. That is the value of the business, is his brain and his marketing. And this is his sole support and has been for decades for his family of 9. So I think it's very relevant because it is a marital property.
Right. That's my point, is there's no value to it.
Well, okay, she can take the business, but she's not the business. She can't do anything with the business other than possibly sell it. But the worth is in Mr. Joseph's mind and his ability to work.
Now, in case y'all ain't hear that, let me move myself real quick. In case y'all ain't hear this chick is taking her husband to court and trying to take his business, but she's trying to take his business, but she can't really do nothing with it. But guess what she's going for to try to get to the business? She is suing this man for his brain, y'all. Yeah, y'all heard me right. Y'all gotta hear this. Y'all like, share, subscribe, man. Let go.
What she's essentially asking is to value Mr. Joseph as though he himself is the asset. She said that the value is him. He's not an asset, he's the person.
After the divorce, she kept the house and other possessions, but for some reason, it wasn't enough. She wanted more, and as you can see, she wanted something no judge could ever grant her. She wants his brain, and that's what makes this case so unusual.
This is crazy.
Somehow she sees it as a marital asset, but that delusion was quickly shut down.
I'm going to take up the motion for business valuation first because it's pretty short and sweet and to the point. Mr. Joseph has run his, I think it's Joseph Tech, for at least the last couple of decades, and he has obviously built up some goodwill and some a marketplace for his business, and they have valued it for just the the physical assets, and they have not taken into account, even though Mr. Andrews in his response said that it's exclusively the product of petitioner's knowledge and labor, which does not and then he goes on to say, does not constitute a marketable value of the business. Well, that does, Your Honor. That is the value of the business, is his brain and his marketing. And this is his sole support.
And do y'all hear that? Yo, she's trying to sue this man for his brain. Yo, you can't get no more. The word of the night, asinine than that, yo. Come on, man. Chick, if you don't get the hell on, man. Woo! Yeah, this is crazy.
Important has been for decades for his family of 9. So I think it's very relevant because it is a marital property.
I'm so confused about her.
Hey, yo. Okay. Dre, I get it, Dre. He said severe. It makes sense. She's suing for his mind because she lost hers. Yo, this is crazy work right now. Yo, you ain't lying, Dre.
Goddamn right. Lawyer and the point she was trying to make. What exactly was she talking about? Just because he used his skills to support his family doesn't automatically mean he became marital property.
Right.
What she's actually saying is that she wants to treat him and his ability to earn money as an asset, which is insane.
For us to get a good valuation of what this business, how much this business is worth, so we can divide the marital estate. Because until we have a good valuation, I can't advise my client on, an equitable and just and fair settlement. So that's why I would ask the judge to allow us to have a business valuation. And I do have 2 possible persons that we could have appointed. And yes, I did ask that the business take on that because, and in my opinion, it's because they have skirted the value and not given a reasonable value. And because of that, I had to A, file the motion, and B, we're having to do the business valuation. So yes, I think the business should pay for the business valuation. And I ask that the judge grant my motion.
That's crazy.
I think it's...
Not only do she want this man brain in the business, she wants the man to pay fund the business and probably want to run it. Yo, and she reap all the rewards. Ain't this about a bitch, yo? This is crazy. I told y'all. Y'all like, share, subscribe, man. This is crazy work, man. Yo, I'll be goddamn, yo. It ain't going down like that, yo.
The value of the business is much more than just the value of the computer equipment he has, that he values at $2,600.
Sometimes they...
Now it makes more sense. They don't want to accept the true value of what they're calling a business. But if they actually want to get any money out of it, the only thing they can consider are the computers he used, but that's a reality they're not willing to face. Those computers are the only tangible assets that can be sold, not his brain.
Yeah.
Anyway, all right, Mr. Andrews, your position.
Your Honor, my position is that my client's essentially a contractor. He, and I think he almost exclusively works for just one client, one customer, if you will, but he does computer repair. There's no real goodwill in the sense that he could market himself in some way that would allow him to have value other than just simply being able to do the job like any other computer technician is able to do the job. Our position isn't necessarily that we're opposed to a business valuation. It was that we are opposed, we are frustrated that how many years later, we're now asking for a business valuation in this case.
Right, and here's the thing, yo. It seemed like when let's talk about it, y'all. It seems like when couples go to court and they have an initial agreement, he pay this or she pay this or they pay this, they have joint custody, and that's that. And when time goes on, it seems like when their life gets hard, they want to go come back and reevaluate shit. No, that's 3 years ago, and that's done and over with, man. Just because you don't have no money and you don't want to work and shit does not have anything to do with me.
Let him cook.
I mean, what are we doing here, y'all? Seems like when that well runs dry from both ends, they want to try to manipulate and initiate contact and try to get money out of you some type of way. Or is it just me, man? Y'all let me know. Y'all like, share, subscribe, man. Dre said, Severe, where you find this type of shit? I ain't even gonna hold you, bro. I just be on my phone, smoking a blunt, and it be dropping straight into my lap. Y'all like, share, subscribe, man. This is crazy.
But so the delay is frustrating, but the biggest source of our objection is this idea that the business should pay for it. And there is no business separate from Mr. Joseph. So what they're really asking is for Mr. Joseph to pay for it. They had a business valuation that was, in my opinion, ridiculous. And that was essentially their position was we were being unreasonable by not agreeing to it. And we flat out said, if you think the business is worth that much, we will happily award you the business. You can have Joseph Tech, the name, any goodwill built from it, and you could just pay that value. But they're not willing to do that because they know there's no value to it.
What the fuck? Right.
That was a great move, and they're
right, and that's a fact, yo. Before we get back into it, she can't do something with something she don't know nothing about, yo. And then now she'll have a business, but what can she really do? So that's when he comes in. So she trying to sue for him personally, ma'am. You can't do that.
Woo! Action says it all. As expected, they're smarter than that. They know it's worth nothing without him, which is exactly why they refuse to take it. If it were truly a business with real value, as they mentioned, then why aren't they willing to have it?
And so this is just meant to try to further harass and delay, incur additional fees for Mr. Joseph out of his pocket in an effort to essentially somehow, I don't know why, other than just spite, punishment, leverage, but there's no legitimate reason that somebody who works for themselves as a sole proprietor doing computer tech needs to have a full business valuation. This is something that he does out of his home on his computer. We listed the computer as a business asset, but there's nothing special about it. It's a computer. And if they want to pursue a business valuation, we're happy to make Mr. Joseph's happy to make himself and anything they need available to the valuator. But the idea is that they don't really want the business valuation. They want him to pay for it. And if they truly wanted it, they would get it themselves. But they don't want to because there's not really any purpose.
They want to make a profit off his dime while he's still paying for it, man. And they can't do that without you, man. This is crazy, yo. Yo, some people are just stupid, yo.
Purpose other than delay. That's our position. And I don't think that this is a situation where goodwill really applies. I mean, if this was something where Mr. Joseph was selling the business and entering into a non-compete clause, then there could be some generated goodwill that could have value, but that's not the situation here. They're just simply
hit that like button.
Seeking to try to manufacture an asset out of thin air. And
this is exactly the right way to describe what they're doing. They're just making things up. And I was honestly surprised the judge allowed it. Since when can a person be considered an asset in a divorce?
Or equipment owned by the business.
Well, again, I've had a couple of cases go to trial that were highly frustrating, truthfully, because no one wanted to pay. Well, one was the house that was kind of a ranch. And the other was an operation of a ranching business, neither of which were valued by any expert. But yet they didn't agree on the value of anything within the business. So it's like, if you're not, one person thought a horse was worth 50,000 and the other said it was worth 5. And so I was constantly in the trial going through trying to ascertain the value of things when I'm no expert and they weren't even close in terms of the value of if you just rely on assets within the business.
Well, and I guess our position, Your Honor, is that we can make it easy. We will award the business to Ms. Joseph at their value.
Right.
Your Honor.
And yo, that's what they said from Jump Street. But they don't want it because it ain't worth shit. She can't do nothing with it without him. And that's why she trying to sue for him. How stupid can you be? Ma'am, you can't do that.
Woo! May I respond?
But that kind of proves their point, which is she could take the business but do nothing with it to generate income.
Right. Dumbass.
That's my point, is there's no value to it.
Well, okay, she can take the business, but she's not the business. She can't do anything with the business other than possibly sell it.
Right.
That's a great idea, and I hope she makes it clear to buyers that they'll need his brain to make it work.
Dumbass. Come on, man. I'm gonna try to take a business you don't know nothing about.
Bang! It's good!
Your dumbass up.
So without him in the company, there won't be any money to be made. I'm certain she'll struggle to find anyone interested in that kind of business. And honestly, I don't think it will sell at all. When a lawyer with no idea meets a judge with no idea. So if the value of the business is his knowledge and labor, these ladies basically want to enslave him.
Right.
So they want his brain. The title got me wild. Bro can't even keep his brain after a divorce. A person can't be forced to work. This is why no owner or operation contacting company is worth anything more than its tangible assets.
Yeah.
A company isn't worth anything if he quits. They can't ask for half the value of him. She is divorcing him, so she has 0 claims on him.
But the worth is in Mr. Joseph's mind and his ability to work.
I don't even understand why the judge is entertaining their claim. If she knows that his mind and knowledge are what give the business its value, then it's not really a business at all. What do they expect him to do going forward? I guess he'd have to keep working for her just to keep the income flowing. And that's exactly why their argument doesn't hold up. If she truly believes it's a normal business, then why isn't she willing to take it over and run it on her own? That only proves they're fully aware it doesn't function without him. Without his input, it's worth nothing.
And I do resent the fact that counsel has said that I'm doing this to delay and to harass. I am not. I'm doing this.
No, I think honestly,
and to give this to you and say, here, judge, this is the value of what we're talking about.
I understand. I don't think he was suggesting that you're trying to delay and harass. He said they're just frustrated with it because this has been ongoing for a very long time. This is a very old case.
And I would like to get it over with, Your Honor, as well. And if the sticking point is paying for it, we would agree to split the cost of the valuation.
But
because
again, yo, why should he be paying for it? That's the thing, yo. Why should he pay for it? If she wanted, she could have it. But why he got to pay for it, yo? Stupid, yo.
Parties.
We disagree that it benefits us in
right.
any way to have a valuation that's going to prove what we've said, that there's no value to this. What she's essentially asking is to value Mr. Joseph as though he himself is the asset. She said that the value is him. He's not an asset, he's the person.
Right.
And I don't understand why they're struggling to grasp that.
Come on, man.
How can you assign value to a person as if he were an asset to be divided in a divorce? We know usually guys lose some assets when there is a separation, but things have shifted drastically.
Oh, shit!
Now it's reached the point where some people are actually trying to claim their ex's mind as part of the settlement.
Right, yo.
If this is an issue based on income, for support.
Yo, who sues for somebody's brain, yo? This is crazy.
For purposes, if that's what they're wanting to make the argument for, then there's some. There may be some validity there based on his earning capacity and past earning potential. But to assign a value to him
Right.
for earning income is no different from saying that somebody who works and receives a salary should be valued for their salary because they bring in an income. That's not an asset to value. That's just income.
That's crazy.
This is not a marketable asset.
Right.
What the fuck? That was well articulated, and I don't understand why this is still even up for discussion. How can someone's ability to earn be considered an asset?
Come on, man.
That's simply not how it works, and they know it.
Exactly. Hold on. He said it right. Where's my goddamn button, man? This is not how this works.
Maybe you know that's not how this works. No, that's not how this works.
Not at all.
He explained it perfectly. They might have a point if they were using that figure to calculate things like income for support or benefits, but treating it as an asset is absolutely insane.
So it does have value. And this is how he has made his living, supporting, there's the word I was looking for, supporting his family of 9 for decades. And
that's when they was together, yo. He ain't got to support no family now, yo. Do you see how not only do women feel entitled, but they forget where they bread is butter, or they think the grass is green on the other side when they leave, yo. But they want to take what they had with them. And back in the day, yo, when you got married and then you got divorced, you left what you came in with. No prenup, no nothing. That was the rule. Right or wrong, true or false, yes or no? Y'all let me know in the chat, man. This is crazy work, man. Who sues for a goddamn brain? Oh, this is crazy work, yo.
He may only have one client. I don't know. But certainly evaluation would help us. But
the word marketable implies it
can
be sold. And that's the whole point, is even, I believe, Ms. Adams concedes that this is not, any goodwill is not marketable. Otherwise, they would be accepting the asset to sell it, but they know that it's not marketable, which is why they don't want to accept the asset.
Exactly.
Okay, hang on. If you want to look at AI, it talks about differentiating personal versus enterprise goodwill. Personal goodwill, this is the intangible value tied to an individual's skills, reputation, and relationships within the business. Enterprise goodwill, this represents the value inherent in the business itself, brand, customer base, location, and is independent of the individual owner.
I've seen a lot of court cases and honestly thought nothing could surprise me anymore. But I was wrong.
Right.
The judge completely caught me off guard when she brought AI into court. I never saw that coming. At this point, I think we should seriously consider finding another judge.
That's a fact.
Mr. Andrews listed other debts, and that was the first I had seen those. And that was what I was trying to get information on, where
but those are all debts that are only in her client's name.
Well, but you didn't tell me that.
But your client could have. I would have.
Right! Hey, yo, hold up, yo. Time out. Flag on the play. Yo. Y'all stand back, man. No, I gotta get my button, man. Y'all stand back. Oh, dude, this is crazy work. Yo, these are your client's debts. Why does he have to tell you about your client's debts? Yo, I swear to God, the asinine shit, yo. Word of the day.
Thought.
Your Honor, he's responsible for answering the questions. I mean, I don't get why.
Her lawyer's stupid as hell.
I've had to ask 5 times for the same thing.
I don't know whether it's unprofessionalism or a miscommunication between her and her lawyer, but something clearly isn't adding up.
Right.
How could her lawyer not know those debts belong to her client?
Come on, man.
What's even more ironic is that she got mad at his lawyer for not telling her who.
Exactly, yo. How asinine is that? Yo, that's some bullshit.
Bullshit? A bullshit? A bullshit. A bullshit.
Yo, come on, yo. And how does that sound? And it ain't got nothing to do with him. That is your client, man. You need to turn to your right. You need to turn to your right and look at that chick with the glasses, yo. Like, bitch, why you ain't tell me? Say it just like that, yo.
That's belonged to. She even started stuttering because she knew it was a major mistake on her part.
Right.
Someone clearly didn't do their homework and is now trying to shift the blame to someone else.
Come on, man.
So, how does your calendars look on August the 25th in the afternoon?
I'm available, Your Honor.
I'm available, Your Honor.
All right, we'll see you then.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
This lady and her lawyer are absolutely pathetic and petty.
For real.
If the debt is in the lady's name, then how is the ex supposed to know what debt she has?
Come on, man.
Did she just use ChatGPT on the bench during a court hearing?
Yeah, she did.
Frankly, sounds like there is no real business. Instead of a guy with a truck, it's a guy with a computer. I think she wants everything and leave him broke. Damn, took the house, kids, and car. Now she wants the brain. What's next? Notice the kids' ages didn't come up, makes you think they are grown and off the feed bill. In the end, they couldn't reach a conclusion. And what surprised me the most was that it was even considered a valid case.
Right.
In my opinion, it should have been dismissed the moment she brought it up.
That's a
because
fact.
there's no way someone's brain or knowledge should be treated as an asset to be divided in a divorce.
That is a goddamn fact, yo. And that goddamn judge need to be thrown off the goddamn bench. Gonna bring in bring in AI in the middle of a court case. Who the fuck does that, man? We going by the law, not motherfucking AI. But here's the thing, you gotta look at it also, yo. In terms like these, especially women judges, some of them try to be biased without letting it be known or trying not to letting it be so obvious. But it's obvious any goddamn way. By you letting her get her motherfucking way, man. This is crazy work, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the chat, y'all. I told y'all, just come to me, yeah. Y'all like, share, subscribe, man. This is crazy, y'all. I be damn, y'all. Oh, man. Yo, hashtag DG and EJ for this one, man. We got a woman going hard in the paint, man. Seems like she invincible, man. Police can't do nothing with her. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all like, share, subscribe, man. We are out here this Friday. Let's turn up, man. That was crazy. I be damn, yo. Who does that, yo?
It was fair game. Resisting, that's not nothing.
On May 16th, 2026, officers in Florida responded to a residence after receiving an urgent 911 call reporting an assault. A woman contacted police after seeing her friend repeatedly punched by her own roommate while on a video call. Here's what the officers did next.
Like a little punch, it was nothing like too serious. It was nothing too serious.
You just called?
She called.
Okay, stay right here.
I am.
While Aaliyah claims it was just a little punch, the officer speaks to a witness who saw the entire incident unfold on a video call. Listen to how her account completely contradicts Aaliyah's story.
I'm on the phone with her and she's in the background just yelling and screaming and, oh, I'll you up and hold this and all this. You know, she's just yelling and screaming in the background or whatever. Okay. She's like, well, just get out. If you want to get out, get out. You know, I allowed you to stay here. You're supposed to be my friend and you're doing all this extra stuff. Like, just get out if you want to get out. So she goes in his room and starts snatching stuff. And
were you here for this?
No, I'm on the phone. Okay. I was on the phone. Okay. So we end up video calling, and as we're video calling, I see her start swinging on him. Okay. I don't know if she had anything in her hand, but she did start swinging on her.
Okay. And on the video, you saw her. So you saw her hit her.
Yes, I saw her start hitting her,
Okay.
and then she's in there yelling.
Ma'am, stay over there for me, please.
She's in there yelling.
I'm conducting my investigation.
If I can go inside, it's my residence. Why can I go? I'm not listening to her. We're conducting our.
Ma'am, stand by the car over there. Go inside the car.
The point is that I was on the phone and seeing the whole thing.
Like open fist, closed fist.
Closed fist.
And where did you strike her?
It looked like in her face, and you could see all the bruise on blood on her face.
Yeah.
She hit me with something, and I'm like, I'm sick of this, so I'm on my way. I'm gonna call the police because this is ridiculous.
Okay.
Officer Cabrera gives Aaliyah a chance to explain her side. She claims the dispute started over a suitcase and that her roommate pushed her first.
Run me through what happened again.
Okay, so my room is where she stays at. So it's a suitcase in a red suitcase. I took the suitcase out my room because I can leave. The suitcase that's in the next room is on the ground.
Okay.
I was starting to put my stuff, and she starts snatching the stuff out of the suitcase. She's like, bitch, you're not gonna take this, you're not gonna take that. So I pulled the suitcase in my room.
Okay.
I'm standing in the middle of the door. I'm saying, like, I'm standing right here. I'm saying, you're not gonna push me out the door. Don't touch me. So I'm at that door right there. I'm walking back, and she pushed me and closed the door. So that's what I did. Got them big ass jugs of water. I ain't call the police. I'm leaving.
Okay, so I did the same thing with her when I was asking her questions, getting more specific, okay? I'm gonna read this to you. Doesn't mean you're under arrest or anything right now. I did the same exact thing with her. I'm doing the same thing with you, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you
hit that like button.
say can be used against you in the court of law.
You have a right to attorney.
This is serious, man.
I'm serious because this is serious.
Because Aaliyah just admitted to a physical altercation, the officer reads her Miranda rights before asking any further questions. She agrees to keep talking.
Can I run you through what happened?
Okay, I'm gonna ask questions. I want you to clarify.
Okay.
So, you were in your room or her room?
I was in my room.
Okay.
And I walked out, and she was in the, like, I don't know if she was outside or something, but she was not in her room.
Okay.
But that was my room originally.
Okay.
So my suitcase was in there, and I was going to leave. I thought, I'm going to pick me up.
Okay.
So I got my suitcase, and I started, like, I seen just, like, stuff in there, but I wasn't even really paying attention. I'm putting stuff in the suitcase. Put the suitcase. She started throwing stuff out the suitcase. And I dragged the suitcase. All I hear is, what? And then we just start tumbling.
Okay, what do you mean by what?
What?
She hit you on the right side of your face?
No, it was like in my chin, like my braces, like my gums are swollen.
Okay.
My gums are not supposed to on my braces. They're not supposed to be up here like this. They're supposed to be diagonal. And I told him I'm not type of start no shit, but I'm gonna finish it because guess what? I'm gonna leave this bitch. I told her that.
Where did she mush you?
While we was in her room. No, out the door. Right here. Right here. She mushed me like my mouth like this. But we was already tumbling inside the house. It was two different altercations. We was tumbling inside the house, and when she pushed me, she just locked the door. But I wasn't even gonna go through the back door and just go around. I just told him to come take me, go straight to some waters.
Okay.
Simple. So when I went in her room, I had stuff in the dresser drawer. So I started putting my stuff in there. So as I was dragging it out the room, she started pulling it back and she started throwing my shit out the bitch. Like, a whole bunch of shit out of it. So as we was throwing it, she's like, bitch, don't touch me. And she put the phone up with on the phone. She's like, bitch, what? Like, she kept doing that. So I tried to drag my shit and she mushed me. Like, as I was going like this. What
happened after you mushed her?
We went to tumbling.
Okay.
It was fair game.
Is that,
it was done.
How'd she get that mark on her head?
She put it on herself, just like her grandmother, her child that she abused put it on herself, and the grandma put it on herself that just went to jail. She put it on herself.
So that fresh mark on her eye, that's not.
She knocked herself the f out because he can tell, like he can't even.
Hey, yeah. What the fuck? Yo, run that back for the slow people in the back, yo. Did y'all hear her?
She knocked herself the f out because he.
Yo, how do you knock yourself out? That's what I want to know. Have y'all ever knocked yourself out before? Nobody did it but yourself. Y'all let me know in the chat.
He can tell, like he can't even tell you, but.
Yeah, he wasn't here yet.
He can't even. I'm not even half him in the shit because he can't even verify what happened inside the house.
Okay. But she was on the phone when this happened?
She was on the phone.
Okay.
Look, this is what she did. She put the phone. I'm finna rock this bitch. I'm trying to jack my shit. I said, ho. And she started throwing shit out. Bruh. started throwing stuff out the room. And then as I was pulling my stuff out, as you can see in my room, my shit is not even in the doorway. It's literally with my suitcase open in my doorway. And before I even got to my doorway, she mushed the out of me and tumbed it on the ground. And that's when I pulled the rest of my suitcase in a room and I called him to come get me.
Okay. Based on the witness statement and Aaliyah's own admissions, Officer Cabrera places her in handcuffs.
Give me your money back, please. Here, make it like you're praying. Put your hand through. I'm gonna readjust it because you're being
trying to fix your cup, okay? Make it like I'm praying.
I'm gonna readjust it for you.
Oh, bitch, you got the worst shit coming. I ain't gonna lie.
Damn.
It's good.
And then gonna threaten her again right in front of police, yo. How stupid can you be?
Hey, no, if y'all look at the report, her and Ivy did the same shit.
Make it like you're praying. Make it like praying.
Like, you're weird as bitch. I'm glad you made that mark, bitch. You should have made another one, bitch. You'll knock the shit out unconscious, bitch. Weird asshole.
I didn't know it was staging. Come on.
EJ.
Dumbass, crackhead ass, jigging, having ass, alcohol, parenting class, having ass, bitch. Weird asshole. So what I'm going for? Because she had the gas that she made, but what about the gas?
EJ, I got your cash app. I got your cash app, bro.
Out of my face. Bro, no, I'm not doing this shit. Cause y'all didn't do shit the first time. Y'all didn't do shit the first time. Y'all didn't do shit the first time. Y'all didn't do shit the first time.
Sit down, the vehicle. You're gonna catch the time.
You're gonna get resisting. That's not nothing. Resisting. Bitch, you can spray me.
Sit down right now.
I don't give a f.
Put your feet inside right now.
Pull your shit out. You
I guess that did do something. Got your ass in that car, though. You dumb ass.
Go see the
your ass up.
Rescue's coming! Do not break this window!
I can't see!
You brought it on yourself.
Wake you!
Your ass up. Yeah. Yo, this chick is going off, yeah. You brought it on yourself, man. You say you ain't give a fuck about no pepper spray. They hit you with that shit. I bet you it did something to your ass down, didn't it?
I can't see!
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on.
Because Aaliyah is actively damaging the police vehicle, officers pull her out and pin her to the ground to safely secure her.
That. If you know the song, sing along. Put some hot sauce on my burrito, baby. You know you look good to me. Yo, hit that like button, support your interest, man. It's burrito time.
Bitch.
She got pepper spray. Stop.
So you gonna put my shit down, stop me from screaming? That's not gonna stop me from screaming, stupid. My liver oh my god, you gonna put my face in the dog. You nasty. I don't wanna lay on the ground.
Too late, man.
You've been told to stay down, so you're gonna stay down.
Yeah.
Bro, why is my face so hot?
I bet you won't say that shit no more. You dumb ass.
Oh my god.
The officers tried to de-escalate the situation. They repeatedly offered to have paramedics flush her eyes, but only if she calms down and stops resisting.
If you calm down, I'll have rescue come flush your eyes out. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay, calm down and have rescue come wash your eyes out. Calm down, they're not gonna wash your eyes out.
My lips are numb, I can't talk.
She wouldn't sit down in the car, so she got
afraid enough to start kicking the window?
Alright, that's enough.
No, it's not! Bitch, you got made when you came in the academy! No, it's not enough! I never got made! Ow, why is your knee in my rib cage? Y'all got too much weight on me! Ow!
Will you calm down?
Okay, you're my rib cage!
And they swear to God they run shit, yo. Even in cuffs, yo. This is crazy, yo. This is truly a definition you can't tell a black woman nothing.
Stop screaming. We can hear you. If you just calm down. Let's get in the car. You could be in the AC. All right? Ready?
Paramedics arrive to provide medical aid, but despite being in obvious pain, Aaliyah continues to hurl abuse at the people trying to help her.
I'm paramedic, okay?
I can't see! I didn't see something right!
Okay, it's because you got pepper spray. You need to calm down so I can flush out your eyes, alright?
No, I don't want to.
You don't want to...
It's water. It's water for your eyes.
Aaliyah, I need you to calm down so I can flush out your eyes, okay?
Bitch, you never went from trying to who the first my mouth, stupid ass. Oh my god, this is burning my shit. What the is this spray on me, bro? It's on fire, bro.
Aaliyah, we gotta take your blood pressure.
There's no way I can fry it like this. It's hot.
Alright, Aaliyah, you need to calm down so they can finish helping you.
For what? So they can take my shit out of my close the door, take me.
Yeah. Somebody come get their cousin, man. Yo, she flying off the handle, yo. This is crazy work, yo. She crazy as shit.
You one crazy ass bitch.
Yeah.
Get my phone! You don't want to do shit! Close the door! So I can go already so they can help me there! Bro, my neck is burning!
Yeah.
Why you trying to push me? You trying to manhandle me? I'm who's gonna get out of the car? I'm literally gonna put my foot up. I'm not getting out of the car. I can't put my shit up correctly.
I know, she was trying to get up.
I was not trying to get out. Stop lying to her. Stop lying that. Look, you trying to get hard with me. Why are you gonna try to? How the am I off the wall? Bro.
With your feet.
How the I got chains on? Stupid! The vlog, you trying to manhandle me? You trying to chains on my ankle, stupid!
Because the window in the first cruiser is broken, officers need to transfer Aaliyah to another vehicle for transport. Once again, she refuses to cooperate.
No! Bro, get the f*** on me! Stop doing that! No! Y'all hurt me!
Stop the show. Big bro, I see you.
It's good.
Thank you for being here, bro. Hit that like button, share this out for me. Let go.
What do I do? Can we get on the other side?
Oh! Man, you stupid! Ow, get off my You stupid ass blonde dumper ass
Yeah.
You got sprayed because you were kicking the car.
I did.
Okay, alright, so kick the car again and see what happens.
Well, you gonna get some more spray, woman? Yo, it just writes itself.
Aaliyah's being secured. Officer Buckley speaks with a neighbor who watched the entire arrest unfold.
Hi. Have you been out here the whole time watching?
At 3:49. I guess
Okay.
she called too.
Okay.
So she was over there tearing up the house, kicking the door, throwing chairs, like trying to get inside the house. Eventually she got to the back door, she punched the door in and went inside the house on the lady. By that time, the police was coming up the street. So they went over there. It was a calm situation. They was talking to one person in the house, one person outside. And then I went back and laid down, and probably maybe 30 minutes ago, I started hearing like some more banging and shit. Then I looked back here, I saw the police. So I didn't want to come outside, so I stood at this window right here. It's wide open. So I see him put her in the car. He put her in the car. As soon as he put her in the car, she started kicking and tearing. I mean, she was rocking the
car. So he said, hey, he was like, hey, you need to stop that. He asked her several times. Then he sprayed her. He took her out, laid her ass on the ground. He didn't do nothing to this baby. He didn't choke her. He didn't. Immediately, I heard him make a call to get the girls out here because he didn't want to handle her. So if she say he did something, I'll be a witness. She's telling the damn lie.
We appreciate that. Let me, did anyone grab your info?
Not earlier. It was a cute-ass police came over here. He was gorgeous. That baby had blue eyes, and he was.
Was he really
he was
muscular?
so pretty. Yes. That baby. No, he was pretty.
Come on, man. Can we stay focused? We ain't talking about no goddamn baby right now.
Yeah. So he came over here when I first called, and he asked me, did I see a fight? And I said no, because whatever happened inside the house. I was just standing at the door at the time. And an older police would have whooped her ass out here tonight. I'm gonna be honest, an older dude would have told her ass up. So an older one would have beat her ass. That dude, he got a lot of respect for women right there. I love that.
Yeah, he's a good guy.
Stop, bitch!
She's still going off, yeah.
Stop.
I swear to God.
Stop.
Bro. Oh my God. Let me.
Stop.
Hey, yo.
It is not this serious. No, you don't understand. Don't touch me.
Well, unfortunately, we're past that point.
Right.
Okay?
Bro, no! Yeah, pull it out! It's gonna come out!
You're done. Okay? That's enough.
Stop.
Yank the ponytail.
Stop. You need to stop.
Thanks. We're gonna need another unit.
Looking like a big ass kid, y'all.
No! Let me the go! I've been working for you! It's
That's enough. No, we're not doing
I can't! Wait, I can't do it. I can't do it.
Yes.
No! Call my mama!
Call your mama.
Get off of me!
We're gonna shut
My bad.
the seatbelt out, and we're gonna.
Okay. Yeah.
Still going on.
I'm in the door! Bro, I can't! Why the
That.
Get again. I'm gonna.
Bitch, shut the up, Paul. Go.
Told you, yo. Told you, yo. This chick on another level right now, yo. She is crazy as hell.
One crazy ass bitch.
Yo, shut your dumb ass up.
Suck your mama, bitch.
Damn.
Your mama should have swallowed your ass. You gonna spray me and I'm already sprayed. How it make you feel? More powerful? Bitch, shut up. If you kick again, I'm gonna spray. Bitch, I'm already sprayed, bitch.
Spray again. She ain't get enough. She ain't get enough. What goddamn noise that?
I know you're upset.
I can't see it!
We're gonna get you inside and clean you up, alright? Can we get you inside and clean you up now? Alright, come on.
Stop the show.
My eyes,
We're gonna
Stop the goddamn show. He done came in the building, y'all. And it keeps on getting better, y'all. He done snuck in through the back door. Squeegee Kid's in the goddamn building.
It's good.
What up, Brody? Thank you for being here. Y'all like, share, subscribe, man. We got a crazy chick out here. Let go.
Wrench out, alright? Let us help you. Come on.
After the arrest, Aaliyah was charged with felony battery, an elevated charge due to a prior conviction, along with resisting an officer without violence, and criminal mischief for causing $400 in damage to a police cruiser window. She was held on a $5,300 bond, which she later posted. As a condition of her pretrial release, the judge ordered her to have no contact with the victim, remain at least 500 feet away from the victim's residence, and possess no firearms or ammunition.
That's crazy. That's goddamn crazy, yo. That ass need to be locked up far, far away, yo. Desi, talk to her.
Lock his ass up. Lock his ass up. You're going to jail. You're going to jail.
You already know. Boy, you know, she's acting a little too destructive for my taste, man. She was going off, man. Maybe she do need to sit behind bars for a minute.
He's about to get locked up. He won't let me out. He won't let me out.
Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest, man. We are out here. What you say, EJ? Say Pukisha fucked up getting flown out by going to jail. Yo, this is crazy work, man. I'd like to thank y'all for being here for another episode of Smoke and Talk Podcast LLC. I'm your boy Severe, aka the Low Wolf. It's me. I'm out here. And guess what, y'all? Y'all already know the vibes. I'm Lone Wolfing there. Shout out to Ashy Foot Productions. You say Kendra acted like that after I left her. Word? Are you the Nigerian prince that she was with? Let me know in the chat. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Support your interest. Y'all make sure y'all notifications is on all so you don't miss nothing from Smoking Talk. Y'all got something for me to react to? Hit me in the email at talksmoke99@gmail.com. Follow us on all social platforms. We are out here. X, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. You already know. We will be going live this Sunday. It's usually for members only, but usually I've been opening it up for everybody. I may throw it back to members only. So if y'all want to get into this Sunday's live stream, you got to be a member. So come rock out with the squad today. It's the only way y'all get to see this Sunday's live stream, man. And just in case to let y'all know,
if you're not subscribed to Smoke and Talk, that's on you. They funny, they talk real, and Severe, funny as hell.
Y'all make sure y'all notifications on all so y'all don't miss nothing. We be back at y'all on Sunday. Y'all want to react with me to these videos? Hit the link in the chat. That's all you gotta do. Come on up and rock with us. I'm gonna catch y'all Sunday. Deuces.
Please tell me all the bad and the good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 live, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big boss, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and show you things that you